Hi everyone, good evening. Hope everyone is doing great. So we have not conducted the live session in this week also. Uh, Probably by next week we'll be resuming the live trading session. So hopefully you will also get to participate the live session in the next week. Okay. So let us wait for a few more minutes to everyone to join. Time is 7:01 right now. We'll start exactly by 7:05. Okay. So I'm just muting myself. We'll resume by 7:05. All right. All right. So let's have some quick recap and then we can start today's presentation. Okay. So far, what we learned in the last 2 days is just a very foundation thing for the smart money strategies. So we talked about supply and demand in the previous session, and we talked about the market structures in the previous session, right? First session was the market structures. We learned about the market structures, and we learned about the breakout structure, how to find the direction, and all those stuff we learned in the day one. Day two, we have predominantly talked about the supply and demand, and especially we talked about the range market. And I told you guys that from the range market, we should look for buy or we should look for sell, because the range market itself optimum price level, and from those level we'll be looking for taking the trades. That is a generic approach of the supply and demand strategy. Okay. So both market structure and supply and demand is, I have to say that it's a very basic stuff, but at the same time, which is the integral part of the smart money strategy also. Supply and demand is, it's a concept which is the reason markets are functioning. There's a core concept, but strategy wise it is not going to help you, to be frank. But concept wise it's working in every market. And market structure is nothing but a Dow theory. So we learned Dow theory in the different way. So hopefully that is, I hope you guys are practicing those things, like breakup structure and all those stuff. So please do it. Do practice the breakup structure and all those things. You can follow the supply and demand, or you don't need to follow the supply and demand. That is your personal choice. But whatever we are going to learn today, I want you to practice this and back test, forward test, or maybe even observe this in a live market, because whatever we are going to learn today, it's very very powerful strategy, very simple strategy also. uh, it's working really well, and but it need patience, of course, and also it need some more additional confirmations also. So that is also important. Okay, so I think we can start. Let me see once. So we have 15 people on board. Okay, let's start. Very good evening once again to everyone. So I hope everyone is doing great. Today, officially, we are starting the smart money strategies. We are going to learn smart money strategy officially. Okay, so I'm not going to give you the theory today because it may give you boring, right? Boring theory, but it is not boring because it is, you need to understand the logic behind the smart money. But today, I'm going to give you the strategy straightforward, and how you can use the strategy, and which time frame you need to use, how you can trade with the strategy. Everything I'm going to give you today. Maybe in the next session I will try to explain why this strategies works. Okay, we'll do that. Now I want you to take a higher time frame chart of any market you take: stock market, forex, bank nifty, nifty 50, indices, whatever, gold, silver, crude oil, any market you take. But we are going to focus the forex market. Then we will see the other charts also. Okay, any market you take, you want to find the first things first. You want to find the breakup structure. That is integral part of the strategy. Breakup structure is important. For example, you can see here currently market from here. Let's see. Yeah, from here market is fell down, stopped, came back, stopped, fell down, and little bit range market, right? And fell down, stopped, broke the structure. Okay, breakup structure happened. Now we know that after the breakup structure, we will be marking a range market. So from the range market, we'll be taking sell entry, buy entry, depends upon the trend of the market. So you can see here, market is rejecting from that level. Currently, you are watching this. This is the range market, right? So market reached the range market and rejecting, little bit rejection. It's happening in the 4-hour chart. Okay, so this is how we'll be trading, like breakout structure, range market will be marking, and we'll be try to take a trade from the range level. So that's how we'll be trading in general, including supply and demand and the breakup structure logic. But today we are going to specifically look for a smart money level. From that level, we are try to take a trade. Range markets are generally big, right? Generally big. So you suppose you are selling from the range here, sell entry, we are taking stop loss, you need to put over there. So generally range market will be, stop loss will be bigger than the normal, range market stop loss will be bigger. Generally it will be bigger. So it will be really difficult for you to trade from the range level. And also sometimes range works, sometimes range will not work. So that is the problem also you'll be facing in the long run with the range market trading. So to solve this, we are going to forget the range market. Okay, range market still works. There is no doubt about that. Range market also still smart money level, but our entry will be more refined. We are not gonna just like that mark the range market. We're not gonna trade, but instead we are going to refine the, what do you call, the entry and what do you call, the stop loss and everything, all other stuff. Okay, so for that, what we are going to do, we are going to specifically look for the smart money level. Smart money level we are looking for. Now I want you to take a 4-hour chart or 1-hour chart, or anything above 1 hour. Anything above 1 hour is good. 1 hour, 1 hour to daily, weekly, anything above 1 hour. You can try this strategy in the lower time frame also, but 1 hour is far better. Okay, so take anything above 1 hour, anything above 1 hour, and you need to look for smart money level. So what is smart money level? So you need to understand that smart money levels. What are the things at smart money level? Number one, range market is a smart money level. Number two, swing points is a smart money level. Every swing point, swing high, swing lows, smart money level. Okay, so generally range market is a smart money level. So every range market smart money is involving uh, because the various reason we'll explain that in the next session, not now. Swing points also smart money level. So which we learned in the masterclass itself. In masterclass itself, I have told you guys that swing points are a smart money level. Every swing points smart money level. Okay, every swing point is a smart money level. So I'll explain why swing points are smart money level in the next session, not now. But we are going to look for a specifically a certain pattern or certain, not a pattern, certain formation, and that formation works really well in the market. Okay, so we are not going to focus swing points, we are not going to focus the range market, but we are going to look for some specific format. So what is a specific format here? Now everybody know, I hope everyone remember that breakoff structure, right? Breakoff structure means there is a candle. Let's change the color. There is a candle, there is a wick, and there is a next candle. So next candle is breaking the previous candle's wick, right? This is called breakoff structure, right? BOS, breakoff structure. So what is breakoff structure? BOS means wick of the candle is broken by body of the candle. This is called breakoff structure. Okay, this is an example for that. But sometimes you will see candle wick, next candle, okay, you will be seeing something. Sometimes you'll be seeing this kind of situation, the second picture. So here you can see wick of the first candle is broken by wick of the second candle. Okay, so here what is the situation? Wick of the candle is broken by wick of the candle. Wick of the candle is broken by the wick of the candle. So this is we are calling as wick broken by wick. Wick broken by wick. Wick broken by wick. In simple term, we are calling this as a WBW. WBW. WBW means wick broken by the wick. Now, here in first scenario, wick is broken by the candle. In second scenario, wick is broken by the wick. So WBW. Okay, so you can call this a breakoff structure, and second one is called WBW. In other words, we will call this as a, we can also call this wick broken by the wick as manipulation. Okay, manipulation. I'll explain this in the next session, not now. Manipulation. You can call this as a manipulation. You can call this as a WBW. Okay, this is here now WBW. Now I want everyone to try to memorize this terminology, because we are going to use this terminology many henceforth we are going to use very frequently. WBW. Okay, you need to find WBW, wick broken by the wick. That is the only thing you are going to look at in the market. That's it. You need to look at this. Okay, this is the thing you need to look at. This is very important. Now, let me share this. Let me share the theory and everything. Then we'll go to the practical. Let me share this screenshot. Copy this. And I think this is our batch, right? Okay. Now we are looking for three different WBWs. Three different WBWs. So let me delete everything. Let me give you. Okay, the logics I'll explain in the next session, not now. You are looking for candle 1, wick, candle 2, wick. Wick broken by the wick. Okay, this is scenario 1. Scenario 2, just opposite. Candle 1, wick, candle 2, wick. Okay, so this is also wick broken by the wick. Here upper wick is broken, here bottom wick is broken. Scenario 2. So many scenarios are there, but I'll explain this first. Scenario 3 is candle, wick, and there is a wick in the bottom also. Okay, candle 2, wick, and wick. Okay, so this is also wick broken by the wick, WBW. This is also WBW. And this one is called WBW, still WBW. This is also WBW. So what is the difference between three? You have to understand, guys, very simple language. I'll give you the things, then maybe I will explain in this in a deep manner in the next session. Okay. Currently, I'll explain in. I'll give you the strategy, then we will discuss later in the deep manner. Let me just give me a second. AC is not coming. Okay. Okay. The first scenario, if you see this kind of scenario, okay, this is selling zone. First scenario is a selling zone. Second scenario is a buying zone. And third one is no direction. No direction. Or not given a direction. Indecision. Means there is no idea. No idea. We can say no idea. Whether it is a buy, whether it is a sell, we don't know. Okay, just keep it in your mind. If upper side wick broken, it's a selling zone. Lower side wick broken, it's a buying zone. And both side wick broken, indecision or no idea. For example, right now you see this wick broken. Okay, I think it is already broken here, and here also wick broken. Now this candle is still running. Candle is still running. Candle is not completed, but it is a kind of no decision, indecision, no idea. Okay, kind of, not exactly, because candle is still running. So just see here, wick broken by the wick. Wick of this candle is broken by the wick. This is what is the scenario? This scenario is this scenario. Okay. And if you see the upper side, wick broken by the wick. This is what is scenario? This scenario. Okay, this one. So this one is this one, this one is this one. You don't need to see the immediate break. It can be a 5-6 candle back also. You can see here, this is broken, this is broken, this is broken, 3 candles broken. So wick broken by the wick. Okay, simple guys, nothing, no rocket science. Just look for the candle wick is broken by the candle wick. Previous candle wick is broken by the next candle. Okay, previous candle upper wick is broken by the next candle's upper wick, or previous candle's lower wick is broken by the next candle's lower wick, or sometimes previous candle's upper wick and lower wick both is broken, both wicks are broken. Third scenario, that is an indecision scenario. We'll keep that in the for the next session. Next session I'll explain. Currently we are going to look for this 2 scenarios, just 2 scenarios. Okay, this is very, very, very powerful. You are going to look at this, but I want to share the screenshot, then we'll go to the practical application. Okay, let me take a screenshot, then I'll share with you guys. And don't worry about the color. Okay, don't worry about the color, don't worry about the candle size. That doesn't really matter. That doesn't really matter. Okay, any color, green, red, green, whatever combination. So you are looking for WBW, wick broken by the wick. That's it. Nothing else you are going. You need. Right. Let's go to the chart. Let's delete everything. Right. Just see here. Just observe the WBW candles. Just observe. From here onwards, you just observe. So what happened? This is the 4-hour chart. Can you see the wick broken by the wick? Wick of the candle is broken by the wick. Now this is selling zone. Can you see here wick broken by the wick? Selling zone. Wick broken by the wick, selling zone. Wick broken by the wick, selling zone. Okay, here also wick broken by the wick, selling zone. Where else you have? Here and all we have already marked. Bottom, let's see the bottom. Wick broken by the wick, buying zone. Here we don't have. Here we have wick broken by the wick broken by the wick, buying zone. Wick broken by the wick, buying zone. Where else? We don't have anything else here. Okay, so take a chart. Try to find the manipulation. What is manipulation? WBW. Manipulation is equal to WBW, wick broken by the wick. So take a chart, any market you take, you need to find this. Take a gold. Let's delete everything. What you need to do, just take a higher time frame. Let's take a 1-hour chart. 1-hour chart. Look for the WBW levels. Look for the WBW. I have a WBW here. Wick broken by the wick. I have a WBW slight small one. Okay, you can take it. I have a WBW here. Take it. WBW here. Take it. WBW. So many WBWs happen. This week is broken. This week broken. This week broken. WBW. Okay, WBW. And where else we have? Here we don't have. Here we have. Here we have. Here also we have small. That's okay. Even if it's a small, you can take it. Okay. And bottom side also you can take it. Bottom sides generally like it's already violated. So WBW, 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 WBW. Here also that WBW. Where else we have here? WBW. Here, WBW. So first try to find this. Your job is just find this WBW, WBW. Here we don't have. Here we have, right? Here we don't have a wick, but that's okay. Even whether the wick is there or not, you can mark this. If wick is there, that is good. So if it is not there, then okay, no problem. WBW. Okay. Okay. Now you need to mark the candle. So what candle I need to mark? Say for example, I have candle. I have a wick like this. Okay. There's a next candle. Wick like this. Wick broken by the wick happened. Now this is the WBW candle. This is the manipulation candle. This is the candle number 1, candle number 2. Candle number 2 is, I'm looking for candle number 2. Candle number 2 is very important. Okay, so this candle is manipulated. This candle is manipulated the previous candle. That is the meaning. So this candle is broke the previous wick. So second candle is powerful candle. All right, now just mark second candle. So here, or I can just mark the WBW candle. So this is the candle 1, candle 2. These 2 candles wick is broken by third candle. Third candle broke the previous 2 candles wick, right? So now this is my WBW candle or manipulation candle. So what I need to do, just simply go to the drawing tool, the box here, click the box and mark the entire candle like that. Entire candle like that. Okay. Then extend the box. Extend the box. Whenever the market touch this box, it will reject from that level because it's a selling level, right? Because I saw, as I shared you the screenshot here over in the WhatsApp community, this is selling zone, right? This is the selling zone. This is my selling zone right now. But you need to wait for the market to touch. Okay, there is a one more trick is there, but let me give you this first, then I'll share you the trick. Okay, sometimes it may not touch this. Recent times people are people is asking that, sir, some nowadays it is not properly touching. So what is the solution for that? There is a solution for that. So I'll teach you that also. But as of now, you need to mark the middle candle. Okay, now look at the next middle candle. This is the next middle candle. This is the candle number 1. Candle number 2 is broken the candle number 1's wick. Okay, now I'll be marking the candle number 2 and extending the box. Now, can you see that here? This box is touched here and market fell down. This box is touched here and market fell down. So why this is happening? You can say that, sir, this is look like a swing point. Yes, of course, it's a swing point. But swing points is powerful level. We know that. But apart from the swing points, the WBW wick broken by the wick is really, really powerful. It is the reason swing points are working. Swing points, why swing points are working? Because of the WBW. Okay, not because of swing point. Swing point is not powerful as it did. I mean, I have to say, like, it is not powerful by its own way. It is not powerful by its own way. But swing points are powerful because in every swing point, the WBW is happening. Because of that only, swing points are powerful. Okay, so because of the WBW, the swing point is powerful. So market touched here, fell down, touched here, fell down for 3 hours, fell down for another 4 hours here 3 hours it's fell down. Now if you watch the next WBW is here. Okay, here, sorry, that's our next WBW. Shall you mark? This is the first candle 1, candle 2, candle 3, candle 4. Candle 4's wick is broken. Candle 1, candle 2, candle 3 is high wick. All these wicks are broken by the candle 4. Wick broken by the wick. Now what we need to do? Just mark the middle candle. This is the not a middle candle. Just mark the WBW candle. So this is my WBW candle. Okay, now what I need to do? Just extend the box and observe the market touched this box and fell down for 2 hours, then it is reversed. Okay, now you need to understand here we are looking for the reactions. First we will try to understand how market is behave at those levels, then we will convert that into the strategy. Okay, where and all market is reacting. Okay, market reacting here, market reacting here, market reacting here, market reacting. First, you need to observe that. Once you observed that, now you can convert that into strategy. So now we are observing. First, we are observing here. We will convert this into the strategy. Okay, market touched, fell down, right? And again, you can see we are observing upside wick broken. Then we'll see the downside of wick broken. So there is an upside wick broken happened here. So this candle is responsible for the wick broken by the wick. So I need to mark this full candle and extend the box. So now you can see is it touched? Technically, it is not touched because market is, I have to say, market went down, came back, touched, but technically it is not properly touched. Okay, so leave it that. It is not worked yet. Maybe in the future it can work. As of now, it is not work. Similarly, the first one is not yet worked. So you can mark it, extend it, wait in the future. You can see this in the future. Now, again, you can see there's a WBW here, a wick broken by the wick. This is the candle is responsible. There is a big candle, unfortunately. Unfortunately, there's a very big candle, but see the reaction afterwards. Okay, market went down, came back, touched, went down till this point. Okay, it is still going down, right? So let us delete everything. Let's see the buying side. Once again, we'll be marking from the buying side. So we have a WBW here. There's a WBW here. Wick broken by there is no wick here, but that's okay. Whether you have a wick, whether you don't have a wick, that doesn't really matter. Candle broken. It's went down, right? Went down below this candle. The wick went down below the previous candle low, and market went up. So now this is my candle. This is my WBW candle. Now what happened immediately? You can see immediately, not immediately. This is 1 hour. This is first 1 hour, second 1 hour, third 1 hour, fourth hour. It is touched the box. After 4 hours, after 3 hours only, it is touched. After touching this market, another 3-4 hours, it was going up. Okay, now the same box couple of time touched. You can see the same box couple of times. Second time also touched, market pushed up. Third time also touched little bit to the bottom. Again, it is pushed up. Okay, this can happen sometime, not all the time, right? So market gone above, right? Now let's see the next WBW. Where is the next WBW? Let's delete this box. I have a WBW here. Next WBW, and this is the candle I'm marking. And what happened here? Can you see that market gone above, came back, touched, and gone above for another 2 to 3 hours. But the next time it is failed. Okay. What is the next WBW? There is a WBW here, and that is a level here. Unfortunately, this level is not touched. It failed also. That do happen. We can avoid the failures by applying advanced strategies. Okay. Now, where is the WBW? Next WBW? We don't have anything here. We have here something, right? We have here WBW. Now, this is the big candle. So you are marking that candle. But unfortunately, market did not went up. It should go up and come back. So when you mark, let's say you have a WBW like this. Okay, you are marking this candle, right? So third candle should go up, and come down, touch. Okay, so only then you can take buy entry. But here it is created swing point. It is created WBW created, but market immediately went down. So this is not at all worked. So leave it. So it is not given you the confirmation. So leave it. Now you can see opposite swing level it is created here, but we will see the buying level only. So do we have a WBW here in the bottom? No WBW here. But do we have anything in the past? I think that yes, we have a WBW here. This wick is broken by this wick. Again, as I told you guys, candle size is really big. That's okay. Wait for the break up happened, and break and come back, touch the box. So this is a failure. Market came back, touched, failed. So we faced the failure here, because you need to understand here, we are not looking for the direction, we don't see the trend, nothing, just we are looking for WBW. Okay, in that way we are approaching the market. So if you apply the trend, if you apply the breakup structure, other logics and all, you can avoid the failures. You can you can like at least 70-80% you can able to avoid the failures. But now we are observing the market with the WBW logic. That's why you are seeing failures and some success and some failures. Okay, but you need to observe this first. Let's see the next WBW. Next WBW happened. All right, so mark the middle candle or second candle, whatever. Wait for the break. Break happened, and came back to the box. Buy entry. Market gone above for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. 5 hours it was pushing up. Okay, again guys, we are not looking for the trend here. We need to see the trend and everything, but we are just observing the market from the WBW level. Okay, let us take a different market, because we are focusing only the gold. Let's take some maybe like a GBP JPY, something. GBP JPY. Let's stick with the 1 hour chart. Okay, observe the WBW levels. How many times it's working, how many times it's failing, that you need to observe. So look at here in the bottom, extreme bottom, we don't have a significant WBW, but here we have a WBW, wick broken by the wick, and you mark the middle candle. Okay, immediate touch happened, market gone above, but in future also market can come here, so wait for that. So we have a WBW here, and this is the candle. Again, immediate touch happened, market gone above, but in a long run market will come back again here. So here it is touched, gone above. So we have a next WBW here, and this is the candle. Sorry, you can see touch happened, market gone above. Immediate touch also happened, but this touch is significant. Okay, then we have a, we don't have a WBW anything. Maybe we can see that there's a small WBW. Let me move this box. There's a WBW here, and you mark the middle candle. I mean the candle which is broken the wick, extend like that, market gone above, touched, some rejection to the upside, and we have a WBW here, but it is not yet touched. So we'll move on here. We don't have here, we have here WBW, right? And that is my candle. So wait for some time. What happened? Market broke the box, market came back to the box, touched, gone above for another 4 hour. 4 hour it was buying. That is crazy, right? So again you can see the WBW here, and you can see there is a candle here. Is it touched? Unfortunately it is failed. Stop loss hits. Okay, we made a loss here. All right, so we have a WBW here. So let us move this box. WBW here, and this is a big candle. So break happened, but retest is not yet happened. Break and retest is not happened. Okay, it is not yet happened. Unfortunately, we did not get any entry so far. We have not got any entry. So we have a WBW. Where else we have a WBW? We don't have here. We don't have here. We don't have here. We have here WBW, right? And we have this candle. Now what happened here? It worked, but it was like a frustrating trade, because 1, 2, 3, 4 hours it was like a ranging market. Then after 4 hour, 5th, 6th hour only it was pushed up a little bit, but it's not a worthy trade, to be frank, but it worked. It worked here. And where else we have WBW? WBW here. WBW. Okay. So extend this box. You can see here market broke, touched, gone above for a 3 hour up movement. 3 hour up movement. Now we do have a WBW here, but it is failed. Okay, so we have a WBW here. We have a candle here. Can you see this? First time touched, 2 hour up movement. Second time touched, 2 hour up movement. Okay. Now again you have a WBW here. Mark this candle. See this one? First time touched here. I think 2 hour up movement. Almost. Not a big movement, but okay. Ranging market. But second time came back once again. Little bit of movement. Third time also came back. Third time it came back to this wick broken by the wick level. There's a wick broken by the wick here. And that is a candle. Okay. So is it touched? No, so far not touched. So far not touched. So we wait for the touch. Once it is touched, you can look for buy. Again, we are observing, because I have not talked about the stop loss, entry, target, and how to refine this. We have not talked about anything else, but I want you to backtest this. You to observe this first. You have to take a chart, take any time frame, higher time frame preferably. Mark WBW level, mark that candle, see that, observe that in the live market. If you observe that in the live market, I have to tell you here is, out of 100, out of 80-85% of time, this is going to work really, really well. This will be work really well. Of course, some failures will be there, but by applying certain other strategies, you can avoid that failure. You can avoid the failure, or you can reduce the failure, or you can reduce your loss, stop losses. You can able to do that. Now you can see market is coming down. Let's see what it is going to do. So it is created the WBW level. You can see here in a second, you could have witnessed that there is an up movement. Okay, now it's live market. You can see there is a WBW level here. So you can see market touched the WBW level. This one. Okay, this candle touched. Some rejection was there, right? And now let's go to the 1 minute chart. Let us see whether it is working or not. In the live market, we can see that. So you can see here. Let me go to the 1 hour itself. Yeah. Market came inside and rejection. Now there's a way you can trade this. I'll explain that. But as of now, we'll see here. Let's say you are taking buy entry here. Now this is, so far this is 155 point movement. Let's say you are buying here. Okay, you are buying here, buy entry. Stop loss here, let's say. So if you are buying here, market already moved 155 point movement. This is 155 point movement. 150 movement. 150 point movement means approximately it's a $120 movement. Okay, if you are trading standard lot, it's a $120 profit. If you are trading mini lots, approximately $12 profit. Micro lot, $1.2 profit. I mean, again, I'm giving approximate value, not exact value. Okay, it is touched here, rejecting right now. Why it is rejecting? Why this level it's rejecting? Because it's a WBW level. Okay, this is simple WBW level, right? So market will be respecting the WBW level. So from here, how much point it moved so far? 180 point movement. That is great movement. If you are trading in the New York session, now it's 214 point movement. That's okay. You can close it. Close your entry, buy entry, close your entry. Now, so you can see in the live market also, you can able to see the WBW levels working really well. Now you can, this is, I'm sorry, I think I have marked the wrong one. There's a WBW here. This is the candle and we need to mark. Okay, this is the candle. Yeah, that is a candle. And that candle is broken and that candle is tested. That candle is tested. Okay, because this is not a WBW candle and some rejection to the upside. Now you may say that, sir, it's a very big candle, stop losses will be big. Of course, stop losses will be big, but you can reduce that by applying the middle price logic. In the previous session, we discussed about the middle price, right? middle price, 50% price, optimum price, right? Discount level, premium level, we have discussed in the previous session. This is the buying level, right? Whenever you mark WBW candle like this, you can take a half level. You can take a half level like this. This is the half level, half of the box, full box. This is full box, half box. So from the half box, you can look for buy. From the half level, you can look for buy. By the way, you can reduce the stop loss a little bit. So buy entry, and you can capture some 200 point exit. Trading is all about like what do you call it? Try to capture something and close it. We should not hold our positions, especially the forex market. Okay, so half level, from the half level you can take a trade. If you see every swing point, most of the time half level works really well. Just I want to delete this. You just see the WBW level. This is WBW level, right? So WBW level candle we have marked. If you take a half level, approximately this is the half level. So you can see market touched and gone above. And you have a WBW here. This is the candle. So what's a half level? Half level will be something like this. Can you see that? Half level touched, market gone above. Okay, so most of the time half level works really well. So you can mark half level also. So for example, this WBW candle, it's a big candle. This candle is a very big candle. So you cannot risk that much stop loss. So mark full candle, take half candle like this. Half candle like this, and try to take a buy entry from that level. Buy entry. If you would have taken the buy entry right now, it already given 351 point of movement. Right? It's a direct trade. It is not a confirmation trade. We have not looking for the confirmations. We are just taking trade like that, and we are exiting like that. Quick up, close. Make some quick profit, exit. 350 points profit is great. It's more than great. More than great. Within like how many minutes? So let's go to the 5-minute chart. Within 5 minutes, touched here. Within 5 minutes, it's moved 350 points. Approximately, let's say approximately $300 movement, or $30 movement, or $3 movement. Depends upon the lot size you are trading. Let's say you are trading micro lot here. Micro lot. Let's say 5 micro lot you are trading. So it's a $15 movement. 5 micro lot buy, $15. Close it. That's kind of a scalping within 5 minutes. In the newer session, it is possible. Right? You can do that. But the point here is not entry, not exit. The point here is WBW. WBW levels are really, really, really powerful. You take any chart, any market, you will witness that regularly. Even if you take a Nifty 50, Bank Nifties. You take a Nifty 50. Let's take a futures chart. Just observe the swing levels, or observe the WBW levels in the higher time frame as well as the lower time frame. Those levels works really well. In very recent times also, you can able to witness that. You can see here there is a 1 hour chart of Nifty 50. You can see WBW. Wick broken by the wick. Bottom wick is broken by the bottom wick. So that is your candle. Extend like that. Can you see that? Market gone above, came back, touched, gone above. Okay. See here also, wick broken by the wick. And that is my candle. So you can see market gone above, came back, touched, gone above for a 4 hours, I think, approximately 3 hours. 3 hours up movement, 3 hours up. Almost like a 5 hours up movement here. Okay, you can see here WBW, Nifty 50 1 hour chart. Mark like that. Can you see that? Right? Let me delete this box. Market gone above, touched, gone above. Again, touched, gone above. Right? So where else we have WBW? We don't have WBW here. We have a small WBW here. For example, here, WBW. So is it work? You can mark full candle, half candle also. But Nifty 50, Bank Nifty and all, which don't have much liquidity, but much movement. That's the reason sometimes it may not work. But by refining this, by applying some different things, you can refine this further. So for example, here you can see there is a slight WBW, small WBW. It's not a significant, in my opinion. If I zoom in here, you can see it is still WBW, still WBW. Okay, so now let's say this is the candle. Let's mark this candle, full candle, and extend like this. Let me delete this box like this. So you can see here the immediate touch happened here only happened. You can argue that here also it happened. Yes, you can take a buy entry here also, but I would say that it is broken, retested here. Okay, so not a good movement, to be frank. Some up, some down, up down, up down, and some up. Then finally it came back. So overall it's not a best movement, but it's okayish movement, right? So where else we have a WBW? Just observe the WBW candle, even opposite side, WBW here, right? So full candle. So half candle touched here, approximately, not exactly. This is the half candle. So somewhat it is touched, fell down, came back, fell down. Okay, there is a WBW here in the bottom. Okay, let's mark this candle. This is a very big candle. Seriously, we cannot afford to trade from this candle because stop loss will be really big. Okay, but you can see here that is also worked here. Broke, retested, gone up. But stop loss wise, it's really big. I do agree. But if you're an option trader, if you're an options trader, right? So you can buy like a call option here, right? At this price, call option you can buy. Call option you can buy. So market was zigzag little bit up, down, and up. Right? So you can see this any market if you take, even if you take a US oil, copper, MCX commodities. Okay, let's take a US oil 1 hour chart. Anything above 1 hour is good. Anything below also you can try, but sometimes it will give you more noise. That's the reason. Let's go with the 4 hour here, because I'm not much comfortable with the US oil. So that's the reason I'm going with 4 hour. 1 hour I'm not comfortable. So you can see there is a WBW here, wick broken by the wick. So mark the full candle, extend like that. You can see full candle broken, full candle touched, and market went down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 24 hours down movement. 24 hours down movement. Now stop loss wise, it is very big, but profit is also, it's double than stop loss, right? But it's an unrefined method. We will learn once we learn the refined method. No, you can confidently trade. So we have a small WBW here, very very tiny. Sometimes this may not work, but here I think it has worked. WBW upside. Okay, swing. We marked the candle. It worked somewhat. You can see here, fell down, came back, fell down for a 8 hours. Again, now it is coming up. Now you see here, guys. Now this is very very powerful. You can see here we have a WBW already happened. We have a WBW already happened, and next candle you can see it is selling candle. It's selling. You can trade here directly. Sell entry. You can take a sell entry directly. You don't need to wait for the come down and came back and come down. You don't need to mark this. You don't need to trade from here, but you can do it if you want. But I traditionally will be marking this. We'll be waiting for the break and come back, then we'll be selling. Okay, this is traditionally we'll be trading. But once you learned the advanced strategies, you will be selling from here itself. You don't need to wait for market to come down, come back, go down. You don't need to trade from here. You can trade from here itself. We will discuss that also in coming days. Coming days we will discuss. Okay, now if you are how many of you are working employees here? I would like to know how many of you are working employees, how many of you are Just raise your hands, maybe like you're a working employee. Okay, Mr. Dilip says, okay, I think most of you guys, I believe, we got 27 people. I'm a student. Okay, I mean, you guys are not able to how many of you are not able to concentrate the market? That's the question I'm asking. Student, employee, okay. Because why we are try to trade the forex market, because forex market is a 24-hour market. uh, since we are not able to trade stock market, because we are working employee, we are looking for trading the forex market. But even in the forex market, you may not able to find the time to trade, because you come after the office evening 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, right? It is a kind of difficult for us to what do you call what do you call to concentrate the market. So for you guys, I have a simple strategy. You can try that. Okay. Doji market also, doji candle also wick broken by the big. Simple logic, guys. You don't need to worry about the candle body size. You all need to worry about the candle wick. You just need to see wick broken by the wick. That's it. It can be a doji candle, it can be a marbasu candle, whatever. Okay, you just need wick broken by the wick. Just wick broken by wick. But my suggestion here is, try to look at this in a higher time frame. Please do this in a higher time frame. Don't look at this in a lower time frame. Why I'm saying no? In lower time frame, you will be having a lot of noises, and in lower time frame, you don't have a data. Simple logic is data. I want data. So if you are going to take any decisions, you need a data, right? For example, like fundamental traders, whenever they fundamental analysis, when they do fundamental analysis, what they do, they look for the last 5 years sales data of the company, 5 years profit, and EPS, earning per share, and PE ratio. So many things they'll be looking at, right? If I want to buy something from the online, I'll see at least some what do you call, some 1,000 people, whether 1,000 people bought that product. Oh, 1,000 people bought that product. So I think the review also good, for above 4.5, and some 5,000 people bought that product. So let us buy that product. On what basis we are buying the product? We are looking for the data over there. Okay, many people rated more than 4.5. That's the data, and more than 1,000 people bought this product. So let's say there is a product A and product B. Okay, so what is the logic behind this? Let me tell you. Let's say there's a headphone. Okay, uh, headphone one, brand one. Okay, brand brand A headphone, and brand B headphone. Okay, headphone. So this cost is 200 rupees in Amazon, and this is also 200 rupees in Amazon. Okay, so now you want to buy very cheaper, right? 200 price. Both brand is looking good. This is, let's say, Sony. This is like a Samsung. Both are good. Both are good. But you are going and go through the comments and ratings and reviews. So there are 10,000 people bought this product, and it has 4.4 rating. Okay, and this product have 4.7 rating, but only 5 people bought. Now which product you will go, A or B? So both price is same, but this 10,000 people bought, 4.4 rating they have given, but only 5 people bought this product. 4.7 is they are giving, and you also see negative comments. In both product you have a negative comments. Here also we have negative comments. Here also we have negative comments. Which product will go? A only, right? Eventually we'll go with A, because 10,000 people bought, right? More people involved because they trusted that brand. They trusted that brand. They bought that product, but it too had defects. Product also not good, to be frank, because 200 rupees, you cannot expect the quality. So ratings a little bit low, but only 5 people they have given their ratings. It can be like one person given 5 star, right? And other 2 persons maybe given 3 star, and the fourth person would have given some 5 star. So 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 this here data is important, right? This data, both rating is also important, as well as the buyers count is also important, also comments also important, feedback also important, reviews, user reviews also important. Three factors deciding, um, based on the three factors you are buying particular product. Okay, similarly in market, it is not only about the price. Price is increasing means many people are buying, so many people involved, we can say that. At the same time, if you are watching 1 minute chart, in 1 minute chart, how many people would can able to buy, how many people would have involved, right? Maybe some 1 lakh people would have involved in 1 minute chart. But if you take a 4 hour chart, how many people would have involved for the last 4 hour? All around the world, people would have bought, people would have sold. That data is important, that number is important. That is the reason we are looking for the higher time frame. That is the only reason we are looking for the higher time frame, because you will be having the reliability comparing with the lower time frame. But don't worry about the lower time frame, we will be discussing that also. We are going to learn strategy based on 1 minute also. Okay, we are going to apply 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute charts also. But today your job is look for higher time frame. Okay, most of you guys are working employee cannot focus on scalping. They cannot focus on scalping. They cannot sit in front of the market and open their eyes like this, watch the market. It is very difficult. Okay, especially after work. So my suggestion here is, I want you to take I want you to like spend your weekends. So coming weekend, Saturday, Sunday, right? Saturday, Sunday, especially Sunday, 2 hours in a weekend, just 2 hours. Open this trading view chart. Take a 4 hour or above 4 hour. Now it may look crazy, but mark my words. Try to apply the daily chart. Take a daily chart. It may look like uh, uh, time consuming, but the results will be awesome. Most of the times the result will be awesome. So look for the daily charts. Take a forex market, then we'll go one by one. Okay, let's take a euro USD. We'll start from the euro USD. Take a daily chart like this. Okay, what you need to do, look for the WBW. Just look for the WBW. 4 hour chart also you can do, but daily chart is more powerful than 4 hour. Okay, let's see here. From here we have a WBW here. Okay, when this has happened, first candle is 7th March. This candle is created. Okay, and 8th March WBW happened. So 9th March, sorry, 11th 8th March is Friday. Saturday, Sunday market is leave. Okay, Sunday you are opening this chart, you are watching this chart. If you watch in Sunday, it will look like this. So for example, let's go to the replay mode. Okay, now you can see here, this is how it looks. Okay, this is Thursday, day 1, Friday, day 2. Sunday you are watching this chart, you are opening this chart, you are watching this chart. Okay, Sunday evening you are watching. Okay, there's a WBW happened here. All right, when WBW happened, upside WBW happened, market will be selling. Okay, it's a selling zone. Now what we need to do, Sunday evening some 8 o'clock, right? You are taking this box, you are marking this full candle. Okay, full candle you are marking like that. full candle you are marking. And if you want to take a half level, you can take half level also. So let's take a half level, because where is the horizontal ray? Okay, so let's change this color, make it a blue color. This is a 50 level, middle price. Okay, middle price. And this black line is a WBW level, WBW. Sunday evening we're watching this, and you are marking this, and maybe you can readjust the box like that. Okay, this is your selling level, right? Sunday evening you are going to put advance sell entry here. So I'm going to click sell button. So where I want to sell, can I move it? I couldn't move this. Okay, let me do one thing. So can I do, never tried this before. I can modify things. So okay, anyways, what I do now, I have closed this. Okay, I'm gonna do something here. Maybe I'm gonna take a sell entry here. So I'm gonna click the short position tool here. So sell entry here, stop loss above here. Okay, stop loss here and sell entry here. Now I can target at least this candle's low, the Friday candle's low. Friday candle's low I am targeting, not much. I'm not targeting much. 300 point stop loss, 300 point target. Now this is look small, so maybe you can like 1:2. So you can see here ratio is 0.96. If I move like this, you can see 1:5. Maybe we can target 1:5. 1:5 here. Okay, for a 300 point stop loss, I'm targeting 500 point. So you need to place a entry here well in advance, and then let's replay. Let's play this thing. Okay, so our entry triggered here right now. Our entry triggered. Currently, this green candle is triggered our entry. Okay, let's see this. Now it's gone down. It hit your target. Touched here and gone down. Hit your target. Okay, your 500 point target 1:2 is achieved. Now you may see that, sir, 300 point stop loss, sir, I cannot afford that. I understand that. That's the reason I have a solution for you guys. Now, how you need to practice this? How you need to practice this? Your idea should be first you need to practice within a demo account. Now, for example, this is a demo account. It's a replay method. You can open a demo account in a trading view. You can do this. You can, well in advance, you can place the entry. You can forget, because it's a demo account. You are not going to lose anything. Or if you are already trading in the market, sir, I'm already trading with XYZ broker. Can I apply this method? You can apply this method, but one condition for you guys. You have to start with maximum of $50. Maximum $50 account. I'm not saying minimum, maximum I'm saying. Maximum. Now, this is not, I'm not encouraging you to open the account with broker, deposit your money. I'm against to do that. I don't want you to spend your money with broker. To be frankly, if you ask me, I will never encourage this method. But sir, I'm a beginner. I have back tested, practiced it. I have traded with the demo account, everything. But now I want to experience in the real market. Can I open some small account with broker? Can I practice this? If you are in that mindset, you can open account with broker. You can do it. Okay, but I don't encourage this. I don't encourage the brokers, and I don't suggest you the broker also, because never ever deposit your money with the broker. $50 is not a big deal. Even $100 is not a big deal. But if you are investing more than 20,000, 30,000 rupees, It's a illegal thing, right? So don't do that. So, but for experiencing the real market, for experiencing whether the strategy is giving you something or not, to get that, open account, real account with any broker. Maximum capital should be $50, $100 also. But again, as I told you guys, don't spend your money with broker. But again, $50 method. This is a $50 method. Okay. Now, the condition number one, let me tell you. Condition number one. Conditions. Condition number one, you should trade only one micro lot. Only one micro lot. I'll tell you that. Second condition is your stop loss, your maximum stop loss per trade is $10. $10. Maximum should be $10. Okay, maximum should be $10. Your maximum deposit should be 50 or $100. Not more than $100. Okay. You can like open first $50 account, then you can enhance and you can further deposit $50. And okay, this is the three conditions you need to strictly follow in this method. So what you need to do here is, so let me switch off this replay mode. Okay. What you need to do here is, first, Sunday evening, when you open the just open your broker account, and you are going to put a sell entry here. Okay, sell entry here. Let's say you are going to sell one micro lot here, just one micro lot of Euro USD sell entry. So one micro lot, for that you are putting 333 point stop loss. So how much in terms of 300 points means how much in terms of dollars? 300 points means if you are trading with micro lot, 100 points means points is equal to $1 approximately. Okay, this is again approximately. It can be sometimes $1.1, sometimes below $1. If you are trading mini lot, then 100 points equal to $10 approximately again. Okay, and if you are trading with standard lot, 100 points equal to $100 approximately. Okay, now you are going to trade one micro lot here. Okay, one micro lot. So what is the points here? You can see stop. You can see here stop 0.00333 here. I hope you can able to see here. 333 is nothing but 333 points. 333 points means $3.33, because you are trading only one micro lot here, only one micro lot sell here. So for one micro lot you are risking $3.33. Okay, that is the stop loss, maximum stop loss you are going to put here. So what is the maximum stop loss I have given here? $10. Up to $10 you can risk, but here you are going to only risk $3, 3.33 cents, $3.33. Okay, then it is fine. Great. So for a $3 sell entry, for a $3 stop loss, how much you are gaining here? How much you are getting here? 500 points you are getting. 500 points means $5. Now you may say that, sir, it is very small. But hold on a minute, guys. We have not talked about the exit. We just talked about the entry. I have not talked about the profit booking. Okay. You need to understand one thing. You can always exit swing to swing. If one swing you are selling, another swing you can close that position. If one swing you are buying, another swing you can close your position. So if you are selling at this swing level, you can close that entry at this swing level. So till this point you can hold the entry, but that need courage, that need confidence also. So your maximum target booking should be this one. So what I'm trying to say here is, you can exit here up to here. Up to here you can hold that entry up to this swing point middle. Maximum. That is the maximum. Okay, in that situation, your target here is 1,294.97 points. 1,200 points means $12 profit. Okay, now you may say that, sir, for $12 profit, I need to wait how many days, sir? So it is created day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8, sir. After 1 week, I'm getting $12 profit. Very, very small, sir. But the point here is, guys, whether the profit is small, is big, is not matter. How much you are risking here? For a $3 risk, 3.33 cents risk, you are making approximately $12. That is important. No, it is profit wise, it is very small. Day wise is very big. So 8 days you are waiting. But the thing here is, for a $1 risk, how much you are gaining here? For a $1 risk here, you are getting $3, approximately $4 profits for $1, every $1 risk. Now imagine here, instead of micro lot, you are trading mini lot. Then this is the $120 movement, right? This is the $120 movement. So for 8 days, $120 is a big profit, right? But of course, you are risking $300. I mean, $30 here. $30 stop loss, $120 profit, right? Suppose if you are trading standard lot here, $300 risk, $1,200 reward for 8 days. But you don't need to hold it till 8 days, right? You can cut the entry anywhere in between also. But the point here is, it is not about the profit, it's about the risk reward ratio. It's about the confidence building. If you are starting with $50 account, in a $50 account, if you are taking a one trade here, and within 8 days you are making $8 profit, sorry, $12 profit, I'm sorry. For a $50 account, after 8 days you are making $12 profit. So now after 8 days your account becomes $62, right? Okay, now in between it will create another WBW also. Let's see here. So you have a WBW here also. So now you'll be marking that also. So there is a failure also there. We will discuss about that also. I have a WBW here. Okay. So our first trade, we are closing here. Only here you are closing. So $50 account, it become a $62, right? Let's say I'm taking the second trade here. This WBW. Let's delete this. Let's see the failures also. Okay. Let me delete this. There is a second trade here. There is a second WBW here. Okay, I'm marking that candle, full candle. But unfortunately, it hit my stop loss. I made a loss. How much I made a loss? So let's measure the stop loss. How much it is? 382 point, $4 stop loss. So I made a $4 stop loss. I had a $50 account. It became a 62. It was running with like a $12 profit. During that time, I took one more trade here that cost me $4 loss. So when market reach here, I made a $12 profit, $4 loss. So $8 is a net. So 50 plus 8, my account now have $58. $58 in my account. It's okay. All right. Now account balance is $58. We are still in the profitable. Now there is a swing point here. I mean, there is a WBW here. WBW. Now let us extend this. Now let's measure the stop loss. How much is the stop loss here? So this is 830 point. 830 point means $8.30. $8 stop loss, which is comes under our $10 logic. Okay, our maximum we can lose $10 per trade. So here it is $8 stop loss. Okay, that's okay. Now it is touched here first time. If it is touched here, I can hold this entry till the next swing point. Where is the next swing point? This is the swing point. This is my target. That's my target. Okay, so my sell entry will be here. My stop loss will be really big, $8. That's okay. My target is here, almost 1,200 point. For this $8 risk, I made a $12. Not a big risk reward ratio. It is like just 1.55 only. But my account growing like from 58 to another 12. So 12 means what? $60-$70. Now my account is $70. So how many days? I start with here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 days. Yeah, 13 days. 13 days. Within 13 days, my account becomes $70. $50 account becomes $70. Okay, so $20 we made up out of capital. So capital is, so let's take a calculator. So $20 we made within 30 days. $20 divided by 50 into 100. ROI is 40%. Return on capital is 40%. That is great, right? Now, again, you see, again, there is a WBW here. So I had a WBW here. So I marked this candle, full candle, but unfortunately, this is also failed. So how much I lost? 390, another $4 loss. So $70 minus 4, let's say $66. Okay, $60. We don't have any WBW here. Okay, great. And I have a WBW here. I have a WBW here. So I'm marking this. What happened? This is also stop loss hit. So I had a failure. How much? This time $4. So I made a $8 loss so far. $4.5. So let's say $9 loss. So my $70 account becomes $61. $61. Now, where else I have a WBW? I don't have any WBW here, but I got WBW opposite here. Opposite WBW. I mark this. Now we can see here market came here, touched, gone above. How long we can keep this entry? We can absolutely keep this entry till this high. Till this is because this is the swing point, right? Till this point you can keep it, but it is all about your courage and everything. Okay, so if you are buying here, buy position, buy entry here, stop loss here. So stop loss is $5, $6 stop loss. That's okay, and your target should be this one. So this is almost 1,919 points, almost 2,000 points. Okay, if you mark the middle one, yeah, 2,000 points. Let's make it a 2,000 point movement. 2,000 point movement means $20 for one micro lot. One micro lot. So far we made a loss of $9. So we have a $60 account now. 60 plus 20, $80 account. Now why this is important? This practice is important. This is not going to make you rich. This is definitely not going to make you rich because $20, it's small. Of course, it's very decent, It's not. I won't say that it is small. It is not going to make you rich, but this is going to build your confidence. Build your confidence. That is important. Many people, they look for the strategy, they learn strategy, but they don't have a confidence, or they are lacking the confidence because they don't know whether that's going to work or not. Market sometimes it will hit. For example, here several times stop loss hits. That happens. But if you prefixed your stop loss, I'm ready to lose $10. I'm ready to lose $10 for each trade. If you fixed your risk, then there is no tension over there. Okay, my capital is $50. Today I'm going to take a trade. I'm ready to lose $10. Once you fix this loss, no, then there is no pressure over there because you fixed the loss. I'm ready to lose $10 maximum. But here, couple of losses happened, which is worth of $4, right? So you can feel happy about that. Okay, my expectation was I can ready to lose $10, but in first trade I made a loss of $4. So that is not gonna hurt your psychology because you prefixed your loss. That is the point number one. Point number two, even though the movements and everything is it's time consuming and profit is wise, it is very small, that doesn't really matter because your strategy is working. If I Since I'm trading with micro lot, it's giving $5 profit for next 4 days. If suppose I trade with the standard lot, that is a $500 movement. But to trade the standard lot, you should have courage. You should have courage, right? So when you will get the courage? When you have the confidence, only then you will have the courage. So how you will get the confidence? By trading with small lot size with patience, right? And making small profits. No, that gives you the confidence. Slowly, steadily, the confidence level will be increasing. So you have to do this for the next 3 months. You need to do it for 3 months. You can do this in a demo account or $50 account or $100 account. That is your choice. But my suggestion, do this in a demo account first, then go with a $50 account or $100 account. Do this, build your confidence, build your courage. Many people, they are not able to trade the market. It's purely because of the courage, fear, not because of the strategy, not because of the money, not because of XYZ factor. They don't have a confidence to take a trade. Why? Because they lack the what do you call the confidence, because they did not practice. Now if you see this, I just only talked about one entry here, only one entry. This WBW touch, we are taking buy entry here. Here, sorry, here. But what about the next entries? I'm talking about the only one trade. This is the first trade. Okay, first trade. Let's see the second trade. You have one more WBW here. That's a WBW candle. You can once again you can buy here. So first trade giving you $20. This first trade. Second trade, how much it's giving? You are buying here. Your target should be again the swing high. Another $17. So third trade, this is WBW here. Touching here. Third trade. Another $11. So 20 plus 17 plus 11. You can calculate. 20. Of course, time consuming. But the point here is you are like, your confidence is building up. That is important. Money wise, it is very small. I do agree. Very small. But within 1 month or within 2 months, you can double up your capital in this method. It literally happened, guys. I'm telling you guys, mark my words. If you do this, your capital will double up. $50, you start with $50, your account will become $100, and you withdraw your investment. Then you start using the profits. Okay, whatever you deposited now, once you made $100, you withdraw your deposits. So by the way, your investment is, you took back your investment. Now you are going to trade the market with profits. Okay, so this method is very powerful. Take any chart, any market. Let's take a different market also. Gold, let's take a gold. Okay, I'm taking the gold and daily chart. It seems like daily charts are like very time consuming. I do agree on that. But for a working employee, you are not going to concentrate 24 hours, right? You cannot, 8 hours you'll be there in office. If you are a student, you will be there in college, and you need to do many other stuffs also. uh, Once you come back from the office, no, you cannot concentrate the market. That is very difficult. So take a daily chart. 8 o'clock in the evening, see daily chart. Okay, what I'm seeing here, great. I have a WBW here in the top right. So that is my selling level. Great. Full candle I mark. Now I need to measure the stop loss, whether it is come under $10. That I need to measure. I'll tell you how you can do that. And where else we have a WBW? I have a WBW in the bottom. All right. So that is my buying zone. So I'm going to buy from, you can mark middle also, 50% also you can mark like that. So your job is take a buy entry here. Okay, let's log in. Let's take this a demo account only. Paper trading, login. Okay, I'm taking a paper trading entry. So I'm going to buy, click buy button. Let's do one thing. Let's mark a full candle like this. Then limit order. So I'm going to buy from this price. I'm going to buy. I'm going to put stop loss because I want to measure the stop loss. How much is the stop loss? So my buy entry price is 2320.377. That price I'm going to buy, and my stop loss will be 2276.965. That is my stop loss. My take profit should be that top one, because that is a swing point, right? So that is my take profit. I'm going to book my profit over there. So my take profit will be 2407. It's very long, to be frank, but you can, in between also you can exit, right? So control. I'm going to trade only one lot. I think one lot here is micro lot, I believe. I'm not sure. Let me do 0.01. Is it possible to put 0.01? No, I think only one is possible. Okay, let's do this. Entry I have placed. It is standard lot. It is taking only the standard lots, but it is a demo account, right? That's okay. So buy limit, my stop loss is $43. My target is $86 here, but it is a standard lot. I think it is not micro lot, I believe so. What is the 400 for almost 40,000 points? Okay, all right. But you can like edit this. You can like reduce your stop loss. You can take a 50% entry also. 50% entry also you can take. Okay, by the way, you can reduce the stop loss. Okay, then this is a demo account, right? So forget, put this entry, forget. Sunday evening, you sit in front of the computer, do this in a demo account, like some 10 currencies, gold, silver, crude oil, different currencies. You take Forex market also, you take, put the entry, forget. After 1 week, after next Sunday, open the chart, see how many entry triggered profits, how many entry triggered loss, how much you made out of the, how much percentage is increased, how much percentage is decreased, and where you could have closed, right? Those postmortem you do, you will get the confidence. And if you do this regularly, no, you will, the confidence will be built up automatically, and the courage factor also will be coming back. Okay, so you can have an idea. All right, if I open the market, if I mark the daily swing level, daily WBW levels, I can easily make this much. Okay, that you can only experience. I cannot tell you. I can tell you, I can tell my experience, but my experience is not going to help you. But if you do this regularly, your experience will be different. All right, I'm seeing this, it's working good. But many people, they fear, they not fear, they don't want to take a trade in the daily chart. That is really unfortunate. We don't have time. We are not a full-time trader. We cannot focus the market every 24 hours, right? It's not possible. Then you need to go with the daily chart, or at least 4-hour chart. Okay, now let us take a different currency, maybe like a let's go to the Forex. Okay, let's take AUD USD. AUD USD. Now just see here. Just see here. This is a daily chart of AUD USD. Can you see that market created the WBW here? And you can see here the WBW candle is tested here today. This is the today's candle. The green candle is the today's candle. It is tested, and it pushed up, and now it is pushed down. So let's say you are taking a buy entry here. Buy entry here and stop loss here. Stop loss is 400 point, which is $4. And your target should be this swing point, that's the top swing point. But you need to hold your emotions, and you need to like wait for the market to reach over there. It will take time. Sometime it may take 1 week also, or sometimes it can fail also. In that situation, what you can do? You can exit, you can capture whatever you want, capture, close it. Today morning I took this trade. And I closed with, I think, like $50-$60. I took this trade today morning. It went up to like 70, I think $75 in mini lot. I take only one mini lot. I took this trade. This same setup, nothing else. Same setup. It given me like $60-$70. It's not much, but I saw the rejections and everything. I closed my entry. Okay, advanced things. But you may not able to concentrate all those stuffs. That will be difficult. Okay, so what I'm suggesting here is look for the WBW at least in a daily chart. In a worst case scenario, you can take a 4-hour chart. If you take a 4-hour chart, you can see here there is a WBW here, and you can see here there is a WBW candle. You can see market touched, right? It touched, it went up to 1, 2, 3, almost 8 hours. It went up. Sorry, 12 hours. 12 hours it went up. Buy here, hold it for next 4 hours, close it. Close it. Just buy, take some 400 points. So even if you buy here, no, buy here, it went up to how much? 248 points, right? 248 points. It's almost like a what do you call the 248 means 200 250 $25 movement. $25 movement, right? So capture the $25 movement, close it. Okay, one mini lot. If you trade one mini lot, it's like a $25 movement. If you trade 2 mini lot, it's like a $50 movement. So something like that. Capture and close it. You don't need to hold this till this high. Okay, if you are not able to concentrate on trading, buy here, close it somewhere, because it's still profit. You can close it. Okay, so 4-hour WBW also you can take. But as I told you guys, 1-hour daily chart is really powerful. You can see WBW here, and this level is created, and market touched that level, right? Market touched that level and gone above. Now here, realistically, if you are buying here, stop loss here, how much is the stop loss? 171 point. Hardly $2 stop loss for one micro lot. So if you're targeting this swing high, it is 479 point. So For risk reward ratio, 1 is to 2.8. But in my opinion, you can target up to this swing point maximum, not more than that. Okay, 600 point. You don't need to hold till these many hours. So how many hours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20 hours. Each candle 4 hours, 20 hours. Buy here, close it here. 4 hours. Within 4 hours, you can close. You can make some small profit. Exit. Okay. Now you can see the WBW levels are really powerful levels. All you need to do is start with the demo account. Practice. Sir, I'm an experienced trader. I cannot trade in demo. If you are in that category, my suggestion here is open $50 account with any broker you open, but please trade one micro lot. This is the kind of test. This is a kind of test. You know, I'll tell you guys, when I joined with a fund management company, auditor office. When I was working with an auditor office, I got an opportunity to manage the client's money. But they have not given me that task immediately. They have tested me. Back then, if you have like 5,000 rupees, you can trade one bank nifty lot. One bank nifty lot you can able to trade. With small capital, you can trade, because back then leverage was there in Indian market. So what they did is, we are ready to recruit you as a trader, but you need to prove yourself. So for that, first you open the demat account, deposit some money, and convert that money into the profit, that investment with profit. This is the task they have given to me. If you do that in your account, then we will recruit you. I mean, they want to see the, what do you call, the performance. Can you really able to trade? Can you able to make money? So that is the task they have given to me. Not only me, for most of the traders, that is the task they'll be giving. So I have failed first time, and failed means I'm not failed. I mean, not able to make consistent profit. Then second time, they have given the training, proper training. They have told me that you should not, your target should be this much, but you should not try to achieve that in a one take. One take, don't try to achieve. So let's say you need to make 10,000 rupees. So you are trying to take the 10,000 rupees within 1 or 2 trades. Don't do that. Every trade you try to capture some 500 rupees or 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, 1,500 rupees, something like that you need to do, and take your own time, because it's your capital, it's your money, right? You are going to do this as a business, right? In that case, you have to take your own time, proper setup, and take a small risk, take a small profit, build your confidence. First you need to build your confidence. After that only you can confidently speak to the clients. You can give them a confidence and motivation and everything. Only then clients will be more interested to uh, do business with us. Okay, whatever the, how much confidently you are speaking, no, that is important. By the way, you can get more clients and more investments of the clients investment. We can get more commissions. Back then, that was a business, right? So that's how we got started. So this is the test they used to give us. Small capital. Using the small capital, you need to make a decent profit. Decent profit, not a big profit, decent profit, and take your own time. This is the challenge. If you pass this challenge now, you can survive in this business. But many people cannot do this, because many people are consumers. They want to generate immediate money. I have a loan here, I need to pay the EMI, I need to pay the house rent, that rent, this thing, this, that thing. So I need to make money. That kind of pressure mindset, they'll be coming to the market. They don't have patience, they cannot do this, they'll be failing. But as a trader, as a professional trader, your job is managing clients money and generating profit for them. By the way, they will be happy, you will be happy. By the way, you will get more commissions, our firm will be getting the credibility. Okay, this is the agenda as a business. If you are doing as a business, this is the agenda. I'm also telling the same thing to every one of you guys. Don't consider that as your money, whatever deposit, your money. Imagine that you are doing a business, you are working for someone, then how responsibly you will be trading. You are collecting money from someone, you are managing their money, then how much responsibility will come? Many traders not able to make money because they never consider trading as a business. If you consider trading as a business, then responsibility automatically will come, discipline automatically will come, and patience automatically will come. And when you make losses, you will be approaching that losses with a businessman's mindset, not with a broken guy's mindset. When you make losses, no losses happens, business will go down, you may not make profit, you'll be losing money, your sales will be reduced, everything will be happening. But how you are going to see those things, perceive those things? So how you are going to see this, how businessman will see this, that will be different perception. That's why he's businessman, we are still employees, or we are still in the middle class. Okay, so the thing here is, if you see, sir, time consuming, I cannot do this, I don't want to back test, I'm a 5 years experienced trader, I don't want to back test. You can be 5 years experience. What kind of experience? Failure experience or success experience? That is different, right? So please, I'm again telling you guys, please do this. Please do this. Take an Excel sheet. Take some 10 currencies. 10 currencies. Take a 4-hour chart. If you don't want to do a daily chart, take a 4-hour chart. Some 10 currencies: AUD, USD, GBP, USD, GBP, JPY, Euro, JPY, CAD, JPY, whatever. Gold, silver, crude oil, aluminium, zinc, whatever. Say, take some 10 currencies, 10 indices: Bank Nifty, Nifty 50, Nasdaq, German 30, European 30, whatever. Take some 10 currencies, 10 stocks, 10 commodity, 10 indices. Okay, take a 4-hour chart or a daily chart or a weekly chart also you can take if you have a lot of patience. Okay, mark simple thing: wick broken by the wick. Mark simple thing. Take a different chart. Take a indices: Nasdaq. We can see the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty futures. Okay, I'm in a 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart doesn't really matter in the Bank Nifty, but time frame is not a matter. But higher the time frame, it's good. Let's just take a 1-hour chart. See here. Do we have a WBW levels? Yes, I have a WBW level. WBW, right? So mark the candle. So what happened here? Can you see the immediate touch? I mean, not immediate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth candle is touched here. Boom, market gone above. Right, market gone above. Now here, stop loss wise, it's really big stop loss. I do agree. If you put a long position here, stop loss will be more than, I think, 200 point. It's very huge, right? But if you are going to trade options, no, in this strike price will be buying 40,000, 40,200, right? 200 strike price will be putting a call option buy, ATM, or most probably ITM. You should trade only ATM, ITM, not OTM. OTM traders are OTM trading is like considered as a gambling. It's not a trading. Option trading itself gambling kind of. But ATM or ITM, it's costlier. I do agree. But if you buy here, previous swing point, that should be your target. That is a target. Okay, market reach over that. You can target till the swing point also. That is also powerful. But immediate profit is required. So how much profit moved? 620, 670 points, right? For a 217 point stop loss, it is given 620, almost 1:3. Then where is my WBW? Let's see here. Do we have a WBW? Here we have a WBW. You can see here WBW. Now, when this has happened, 9:15 in the morning. This is previous days candle. Previous day candle wick is broken, 9:15 this is created, and market gone above. Now eventually after going above, market came down, it is broken this level, we made a loss. But you need to understand one thing. In this method, we are waiting for the break and touch. So break happened here, this candle break happened only here. Now I won't consider this as a break. Why? Because it's a red candle, right? It is happened on next day morning. Next day morning, gap up, and market created the gap down movement. Okay, so I won't consider this as a break. And second thing is, break and retest is one of the way to trade. One of the way, a easy way to trade. But we have multiple ways to trade, so we will discuss that one by one in the coming days. So as of now, it's look like failed, but it is not failed, because there is a one more logic you can take here, 50% logic also. So 50% you can mark, you can wait for the break and retest, and you can buy it from here also. Why we are applying 50% logic here? Why are we not applying here? We are going to apply here also, in the bottom also. So here it is still your buying level. Next time when market reach here, you can still look for buy from this box, from the 50%, from the half level. In the future, it does not happen so far. So when that happens, you can buy. Mark my words, mark this level, you will see the difference. You will see this happening. Next time market reach here, market will definitely react. Okay, so full candle entry, half candle entry, in particular level, both you can do. But here half candle worked, full candle did not work, failed. All right, now just see the next one. There is a WBW here. I'm not looking at the top one, I'm just looking at the bottoms. WBW. So we have a WBW candle. Now this candle is not properly touched. This is the next day. Same days closing candle. Next day, market opened with the gap up, and market came down, and it failed. We made a loss here. Okay, it is a loss. We have to agree that. And do we have a wick broken by the wick here? No, but we have here. Okay, that is a level we are marking here, and you can see here market touch here. When it is created, Thursday, 1:15 of 16th May, Thursday. When it is touched, 22nd May, Wednesday. Next week's expiry. Wednesdays are expiry, right? If I'm not wrong. Bank Nifty Wednesdays are expiry. Nifty 50s Thursdays are expiry. Okay. Next week expiry. Market came down, touched. This is again a 215 candle. 215 to 315. 1 hour it was up movement. 2 hour it was up movement. Expiry day. So you can buy an option here, right? What option? ATM option. So 2 hour you can hold that entry, but it went up to further also. But on the day, on the day, it was given like somewhere around 320 points. That is very decent points, right? So similarly, we don't have a WBW here. We have a WBW here. Okay, WBW here, which is not, which is also given something. You can see market gone about touch. It's not a big movement. Again, it's a failure. What you can do now, you can take a 15-minute chart. Sometimes 15-minute chart works really good. 15 minutes WBW, and 15 minutes level, is it touched? So far not touched, but I have a solution for this. I will explain that in the next session. So now there is a 15 minutes WBW. It is touched today. Tomorrow somebody please watch this, and if possible, tomorrow morning, update this. Okay, tomorrow morning what happens? Market can open with the gap up and it can come down because it's already touched here. It can open up and come down. That can happen, right? Take a commodity, copper futures. Let's take a 1 hour copper futures and all. You need to take a 1 hour or 4 hour chart. Look for the WBW levels. Let me take a 4 hour first. So as of now, market created the WBW here. Okay, and the full candle touched, market gone above, right? Half candle also touched, market gone above. That's the one entry. And second entry would be here, WBW, copper futures 4 hour chart. You can see here full candle touched, half candle also I think touched, market gone above. Okay, so where else we have? We don't have a WBW here. No, we don't have here. We don't have here. In 4 hour we don't have. Okay. In 4 hour we have here, right? Right now here market is closed, right? Market already closed. It's still running. MCX only I have taken. Have I take MCX? Yeah, MCX only I'm taking. But it's still running. That's okay. But we got WBW, right? Now you mark this candle. Still running. Mark this candle. The candle is not closed yet. I think 2 more minutes there to close. 1 more minute to close there to close. So wait for the candle to close. 4 hour candle to close. Okay. Once it's closed, you mark this. Next candle, we don't know what would be. But possibly next candle will be red candle like this. And maybe tomorrow it can come and touch. When it is touch, sell entry, stop loss. Target should be this low. So see this tomorrow, okay? Maybe today also you can see, but tomorrow you'll be getting an idea here. Okay, let's go back a little bit. Let's take a 1 hour chart. So do we have a WBW? We have some alternative for WBW, guys. But I will discuss this in the later, not today. Because sometimes in Indian stock market you will not get the WBW, proper WBWs. So in that situation you need to incorporate different things. Okay, we will incorporate that also. So for example, you don't see many WBW here. We have one WBW here. So you can see here, is it touched? No, it is failed here, but it worked immediately here, touched, fell down, and it is failed here. Now this kind of failures you can easily avoid by applying the advanced strategies. Okay, we will be learning that also. This kind of failures you can easily avoid. You need to apply the advanced strategy also. You should not trade blindly anyways. We don't have a WBW. We have a small level, but it is slightly worked. Not to be frank, it is not best movement. We have here WBW. Yes, we have a WBW here, right? This wick is broken by here, and that is the candle. Wait for the candle to break. Candle break and candle retest, and it was within inside this box and market gone. Or you can take a half level, break and retest, buy entry, gone above. Okay, so there is another method we will discuss that for Indian market specifically, that we can apply in Indian market. Maybe later point of the in this bootcamp we will discuss that. So what you need to do, let me tell you once again. Take a Euro USD chart. Now we are going to incorporate the breakout structure logic also. Okay, now you see Euro USD chart, 1 hour chart. Great. Where is the breakout structure happened? Breakout structure happened here. Okay. Where is WBW? So I don't see proper WBW here. To be frank, this is not best WBW, but it is still WBW. Which one? This one. Very tiny. Very tiny. But I don't agree with this. This is very, very tiny. Maybe we can take this one, existing WBW as a WBW. Okay. So that is my WBW candle. Okay, that candle market touched 50% and went down. Okay, we do have a WBW here. Can you see that WBW? So you can mark this full candle. Now, I forgot to mention one more thing. There is a way to mark WBW candle. Okay, so let's say there is a candle like this, wick like this, and there's a next candle, wick broken by the wick. Okay, now, so this is the wick broken by the wick. Let me do like this, maybe a little bit height. So this is WBW, wick broken by the wick, and this candle, the second candle, is my manipulation candle or WBW candle. Okay, now you are immediately marking this candle. Let's say there is a wick like this also. Okay, immediately marking this candle after completion. Okay, this is now your manipulation candle, manipulation zone or selling zone. This is your selling zone. Let's change the color. This gray area is your selling zone. Selling zone, or I can say manipulation, or I can say WBW. Now, where do I sell? In this entire candle, where do I sell? The best option is 50%. Best option is always 50%. This is the full candle, mark half candle. Approximately like this. Half candle or 50% or middle price, or you can call optimum price. Entry. Okay, entry, sell entry. This is the best option. Why? Because most of the time market will be coming to the 50% level. So that's the reason. Let me move this a little bit. Okay. Now, what are the best options are available? Sir, stop loss still big. Now what should I do? You can take a full candle entry also. That is your choice. So for example, so let me, okay, I'm moving it to the right side. Full candle entry, or I can say 100% entry. Okay, that is also your choice. You can either enter from here, market is coming down, coming up, sell entry, or sell entry here. But in this entry, in the full candle entry, no, stop loss will be big because your stop loss will be here. Half candle entry, stop loss will be relatively small. So better you try to enter from the 50% half candle entry. Full candle entry also you can do it. Stop loss will be here. Stop loss. Any case, you need to put stop loss over there. Yeah. Stop loss over there. Okay. Now, this is the standard way of entering. You can enter from the 50% or you can enter from the full candle. Choice is yours. But there are other ways also you can enter. For example, uh, you know, what is manipulation? Manipulation means, so let me do like this. Manipulation means cheating. Okay. Smart money will be cheating us. We'll explain that in the next session. Okay. So when they cheat us, they spend money. Like very recently elections are completed, right? In every election, before election, they give election manifesto. They propaganda, right? They do propaganda. If you guys elect us, we will give you this, we will give you that, we will make country proud, we will give all facilities, right? They'll be giving the statements, right? Propaganda. So once election results are came, once they become power, they will forget us, right? So they will during the election time they will be like speaking very nicely to the people, but after the election they will not like they don't even know uh, where is their constituency. so so what is that? That is called false propaganda. They promise something but they won't uh, fulfill those things. I'm not talking about any political party, but generally I'm telling general politicians are like that. Okay, any opposition as a ruling party and opposition party, both parties are like that only. So politicians always try to people manipulate people. Okay, so what is mean by false promises? Fake promises. They give fake promises. For that they spend money. They are spending money, right? They are spending money for during the elections, right? They need to spend money. Only then they can able to attract you. Only then you will be voting for them. So they spend money for you to vote, for every one of you to vote for their party. So that is a spending. Do you think that is a spending? That is an expenses or investment? What do you think? Say every election, every political party spending money during the election, right? Is it expenses or is it investment? What do you say? Nobody says anything. Political parties spending money during the elections, right? Is it expenses or it is an investment? What do you say? Definitely it's an investment, because once they become power, they can corrupt, right? They can corrupt, they can recover all expenses. Okay, so just remember this. Just try to remember this story. When in the next session I will explain how this story is related to the market. Okay, now the point here is you can enter from the 50, you can enter from the half level, or you can enter from the manipulation portion. What is manipulation portion? So this is the candle 1, candle 1, this is candle 2. Candle 1 is manipulated by candle 2. Where exactly manipulated? Exactly from here to here, because this candle is closed here, I mean stopped here. This candle, first candle, is stopped here. Okay, second candle gone above this candle, gone above this candle and closed here, I mean stopped here. Okay, so above this candle, the second candle gone above the first candle, right? Second candle, this is second candle gone above the first candle from here to here. This portion is called manipulation portion. Sometimes market will come down, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, touch that level and go down. Exactly this level. So you can, if you are really serious about reducing your stop loss, you can mark manipulation portion. This is manipulation portion. Portion. Exactly here they have manipulated us. You can sell from that level also. So for example, like this sell entry, but it need more patience, guys, more patience. You can take entry from manipulation portion. That is your choice. I'm not here telling you to you need to take a trade only here, but you can take it over from that also. Especially if you are trading with weekly charts, monthly charts, and all, you can take like that. Okay, that is also one more choice. And one more choice here is you can see the wick, right? This is the wick is responsible for this break, right? This wick from here to here. This wick is responsible for this break. So you can mark entire wick also. You can mark entire wick like this. Okay, let me change the color. Let's say yellow color, not yellow color. I like a green color. Okay, you can take entire wick also. Let me delete this number. I mean this name. You can take entry from wick portion, because this wick is responsible for break of previous wick. Okay, wick portion. So you can enter either from the manipulation portion, or you can enter from the wick portion. So let me do this in a right side. Okay, wick portion bottom also you can enter from here. Also you can enter. You can enter. You can enter. You can take. You can take entry. You can take entry from wick portion. Also, now this is your choice, guys. But if you ask me, no, I always tell you to take entry from the 50%. 50% is my favorite level. It's my favorite level. Most of the time, 50% works really well. But sometimes it may not work also. Uh, uh, but if you ask me, you can play around with this with. Okay, you can enter from the wick level also. You can enter from the manipulation level, but it need more patience, and more patience. To be frank, patience is required. So you can enter from the wick portion. You can enter from the manipulation portion. You can enter from the what do you call full candle also. The choice is yours. Choice is yours. But if you ask me, I say always enter from what do you call 50%. That is my level, because most of the time that works really well. That's the reason. Okay, so entry can be any of these 1, 2, 3 blue lines. The blue lines are entry lines. Stop loss is the, let's change the color to the black or red. Okay, so that is your stop loss. Entry can be anywhere 50 or big portion or manipulation. That is your choice. Okay, now can we I think somebody asked, let me see your question. I'll share this also. Somebody asked some question. Okay, 1000x in. Okay, sir, permanent middle line in the rectangle settings. Permanent middle line. Permanent middle line, you don't need to do that. What do you mean by permanent middle line? I'm not understanding this. I'm not able to understand that. Permanent middle line in the rectangle settings. Oh, can you are asking, can you put permanent middle line? I think so. Let me see. Okay, WBW also work in the lower time frame. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But as I told you, I asked this question, right? Let's say you are opening a shop. 9 o'clock, you are opening a shop. 9 a.m. 9 a.m. you are opening your supermarket. Okay. 9 a.m. to 9:15 a.m. How many sales you can expect? 9 o'clock, you are opening your supermarket. Customers are coming inside your supermarket. 9 a.m. to 9:15, how much sales you can expect? 1,000 people will be coming? No, right? 9 o'clock to 9:15, maybe some 2 customers, 3 customers, or maybe some 5 customers. Because customer has to enter into your supermarket. He has to take the cart. He has to fill the cart. And he has to come to your billing counter. And you need to bill the products. And he had to swipe his credit card or debit card. And after that only, you will be considering, after delivering the bill, only you'll be considering that sales is completed, right? So 9 a.m. to 9:15 a.m., hardly two to three billings would have happened, right? So with that data, can you predict the entire day's sales? With first 15 minutes data, you cannot predict the entire day sales, right? Am I right? If it's a weekend, there will be more customers will be coming. So the lower time frame data is not enough. If you are looking for WBW in 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute, then data is not enough. With that data, with 1 minute chart, how many people would have bought, or how many people would have sold in the market? Just see the 1 minute chart. Very very minimum. With that volume data, how are you going to predict the market? So that's the reason, guys. This is very practical, right? I'm not telling any superficial or artificial here. This is very practical. So the same, because this is where people are getting misguided. Supermarket business, stock market is same. Both supermarket business, stock market is same. Only difference here is, in supermarket there is a one seller, many buyers. In stock market, many buyers, many sellers. That is the only difference. And you don't know from whom you are buying, you don't know to whom you are selling. So if you see life very practically, stock market, forex market is very easy. If you see life as a different and markets, it will be really difficult. Okay, so within 15 minutes, based on 15 minutes data, you cannot decide the entire day's movement. So that's the reason we are not looking for the lower time frame. However, we are still going to trade in the lower time frame using some other strategy, some other combination of strategies. So we'll be learning that also. We'll be learning all that also. So 5 minutes, 1 minute trade also we are going to take. So my suggestion here is, WBW still works in 1 minute chart also, but not as you expected. So if you want, apply the WBW in 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 15-minute chart, we need to apply more filtrations, more confirmations. That thing is required. Okay. All right. Now, one more thing I want to tell you here is, before I talk about the 50%, 50% is just a myth. Sorry, you are talking about 50% is powerful, but now you are saying myth. In my personal opinion, it's a kind of myth. Of course, 50% is working really well. It's a kind of myth. As a trader, you should never look for direct entry from the 50%. Never ever do that. Even though it works, don't do that. Because in coming days, I'm going to give you a different perspective. Once you learned the different perspective, you will forget the 50%. You don't need 50%. Okay, it is still working. There is no doubt about that. 50% is working. That's good, great. That's still middle price, optimum price. Great. But you need to understand that price is not moving the market. I mean, of course, price is moving in the market, but price is moved by smart money. Okay, we need to approach the logic with the smart money logic, not with the optimum price logic. So 50% temporary. Temporarily, you can use 50%. That works. If you don't have any idea, I don't know what to do, then you blindly trade from 50%. But once you learn the advanced strategies, you don't need 50%. You don't need 50%. You can trade anywhere. anywhere in this chart. Any line you put, a line put like this, you can trade from here. You can call this line as a very, very powerful line. You can put some line like this, trend line. You can call this very powerful line. You are not going to trade here blindly, but you are going to create opportunity here. You are going to create opportunities in this line. So line is not a matter. 50% is not a matter. But however, sir, I don't know what to do, sir. Because a lot of confusions. In that case, okay, mark 50%, close your eyes, trade. Okay, it works. It can fail also. It works most of the times. It can fail also, because if you are trying to trade from the 50%, it is still like a you are trying to find the something in the dark room by closing your eyes. Okay, it is still not a it's powerful method, but it is still not going to give you the convincing results in the long run. So better here, whatever you are learning so far, you can keep it in your brain. But when we talk about the advanced strategies, right, you apply that only, that alone is enough. So WBW is powerful, WBW and BOS. Okay, again WBW, BOS. This is what we are going to do. We don't want 50%, we don't want 100%, we don't want weak portion, manipulation portion. No, mark the level, because sometimes you may see that, you may witness this. I think we have witnessed it in the US oil. Let's take this one. Do we have a WBW? I would say this one. Yeah, this one. You can see WBW here. Okay, very powerful level. So what happened here? Worked here, great, very nice. What happened second time? Second time failed. So 50% failed here, right? 100% worked. 50% entry failed here. Stop loss hit, right? How to avoid this? Forget the 50%. Forget the 100%. Okay, you want market to touch this box. After touching the box, you are going to look for the confirmation. After breaking the box, you are going to look for the confirmation. In that logic, you will never make a loss. You will never make a loss. Mark my word, guys. You will never make a loss. But the thing here, no, you will get frustrated for getting the entry sometimes. So that will happen. So you need to go either this extreme or this extreme. Okay, 50% entry often works, sometimes fails also. So in this case, it fails, right? So what we need to do? We are not going to close our eyes, directly buy from the 50%. We are going to look for the 50% touch, and we will be looking for the confirmation here. After confirmation only we'll be trading. Okay, every touch we need to look for the confirmation. Blindly trade, guys. You can trade blindly also. You will make success. 70-80% of time you will be making success, but you will be also making losses. So if you want to avoid the loss, there is a two option. Option number one, trade above daily, weekly charts. Daily charts, weekly charts. You can reduce the losses, like out of 100, out of 120% time you will be making losses. 80% you'll be winning success. If you do daily, weekly chart trading, but it is time consuming. If you feel like that, then you need to look for the advanced confirmation. I want to trade only 1 hour chart, then you need to look for the advanced confirmation. Advanced confirmation I will teach you guys. Okay, then there is a one more method. Very recently I have been backtesting and it is working really well. That is going to reduce your time, and that is going to help you to do the scalping as well as intraday trading. and even for a swing trading also. So that method also, if time permits, in this bootcamp I'll explain. I have already made a video for that. Video is already available in the Telegram. So today we'll be sharing you the Telegram link. You can join the Telegram and you can watch that video if you want. But still, I'm backtesting that strategy, but it will take some time. So hopefully that will also going to give you some wonderful results for you guys. Okay, so that method also, it is going on parallelly. So we will discuss that also. Okay, now I think somebody want to speak. What is the Asian range sweep strategy? We'll learn that in the next session. Okay, next session we'll be learning. See guys, we have not talked about smart money today. I have given you the strategy today. Okay, but we have not yet started. There are so many things we need to understand. Next session going to be a really overwhelming session. uh, uh, be prepared for that. I'm going to give you a lot of intense knowledge of in the next session. Today we discussed WBW, right? We are going to talk about the week. We are going to talk about the WBW. We are going to talk about why the WBW happening and what is the significant, how smart money enters, how smart money manipulates the market, what is the smart money's algorithm, how algorithm means how the software works, market software works. Okay, all those things we are going to learn next session. I don't want to, what do you call, I don't want to bore you guys. That's the reason today I have given you the strategy. This strategy you start practicing. Next session we'll be discussing about Asian range strategy, news based strategy, ping pong strategy, and we also learn about what you call indicator based strategies, and what else, Asian range, ping pong, um, news based strategies, double side manipulation, fake breakout structure, and what else we have, true price action we are going to learn. That is anyways, that will be reserved for couple of days after. Okay, then we'll be talking about the concept of liquidity, concept of imbalances, market algorithm, how market moves, why up movement happened, why down movement happened, what is happening, how manipulating happening, what is hedging. So many things we are going to discuss. Okay, so but whatever you learn today, no, so all those things comes inside that. Okay, inside that WBW, within that WBW, whatever we are going to discuss for the next 2 to 3 days, everything is there already. So I have reduced your burden. You don't need to understand whatever we are going to discuss tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next sessions. You just need to focus the WBW strategy, maybe the refinement strategy also. That's more than enough. But if you are really enthusiasm, if you have enthusiasm about the market, and if you want to more filtration, why this happening, why that happening, why this happening, why this, if you have that questions, no, for that all questions we have answers. We are going to give you the answer. And what about the failures? What about the failure? If I make a loss, how do I recover? If failure happens, how do I avoid the failure first? How do I avoid the failure first? And first place, how do I avoid, and how do I predict the failure? That's the second. And how do I recover the losses? That also we are going to discuss dedicatedly end of the, last day of the bootcamp. That also we are going to discuss. Okay, Asian range strategy, news based strategy, ping pong strategy, whatever you are going to learn in this bootcamp, no, for all the base is already laid. Breakup structure in the day one, range market day two, WBW day three. So my suggestion here is, for the last 3 videos, go through, because coming next day onwards, next session onwards, whatever we are going to discuss, it's all going to based on breakup structure, WBW, range market. Okay, so far today whatever you learn, no, that is the foundation already laid down. Your task is very simple. WBW, no need to ask questions like which WBW I need to mark. You should not have that query. just simply look for WBW. Just simply look for WBW. Okay. WBW. All right. Where else we have WBW? Okay. WBW. That's it. Okay. No conditions. Which WBW I need to mark? Which wick broken wick? Everything you can mark, because everything going to work in certain way. Okay. That's it. These are your levels. These are the buying levels in the bottom, selling levels in the top. In a big candle, I know, big candle, half candle you can take, full candle like this, half candle like this. Okay, that's it. This is your selling level. Up is your selling level, bottom is a buying level. No, you don't need to get confused on this. You just need whether it's wick broken in the bottom side or wick broken in the top side. You mark that candle, whether it's a swing point, whether it is not a swing point, whether it's a range market, that doesn't really matter. There is no rules applicable for WBW. Okay, as it is you can trade, as it is you can trade, but sometimes you will not get the results. You will be getting the stop loss hit, all those things. So to reduce that only, we are going to discuss many things in coming days. Okay, but let me tell you very honestly, I'll tell you guys my honest opinion. I'll give you here. If you are looking for trading at 4 hour or a daily chart or like above daily chart, let me tell you, you just only need WBW. Just mark WBW candles and you will be seeing the touch and you'll be seeing the rejections. Many times this happens. Many times this happens. Market will give you out of 10 times, at least 7 or 8 times it's going to work. It's going to work. Definitely going to work. Based on my experience, I'm telling you. If you are trading daily chart, the possibility is more than that. Weekly chart, more than that. But of course, weekly chart we cannot trade. But if you're an options trader, you can do weekly chart. You can trade using the weekly chart, right? Bank Nifty option, Nifty 50 option, weekly chart you can. Weekly expiry is there, right? Weekly chart you can take. Previous week WBW you can mark. Wait for the market to touch that level. When it is touched, you can buy call option or put option according to that. Try it, guys. I'm telling you this. Mark my words. It's going to be a game changer. Okay. Now, how many years you are using this WBWC? The thing here is you need to understand that WBW is the name I have given. It's just a name I have given. Okay. And I have simplified this with multiple logics are there, but I simplified that thing. The name I have given very recently, but this strategy, it has been there since 1920s. 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 Richard Wyckoff is the guy who found this strategy, but he is not called this as a WBW because back then there is no candlesticks. 1920s there is no computers, right? I think computer was there, but I don't think so. 1950s and the computers are invented. Candlesticks back then. Do we have a candlesticks? Let me tell you one thing, guys. In nearby your home, there will be a vegetable market. I'll tell you something. Go to that vegetable market. Collect 1 year data of that vegetable market. What data? No, vegetable market morning 9 o'clock. Vegetable market opens. Vegetable market closed by night 10 o'clock. Let's say per day, how much uh, how much buyers bought carrot, how much sellers sold carrot. Okay, collect that data, 1 year data, compile that data into the Excel sheet, and if possible, I don't know it is possible or not, compile the data into the Excel sheet, and that data convert into the candlesticks chart. If you convert that data into candlesticks chart, in that area also you will be seeing WBW, and in that area also WBW will be working. This is the open challenge. If you are data analyst, I'm not good at the Excel and charting, all those stuff. If you are some software professional, or maybe if you are like a expert in the data analytics on all those fields, no, collect some XYZ data, buyer sellers data. Okay, some buyer sellers data, and convert their data into candlesticks chart, where also you will see WBW, and at least you will see fake breakout structure. Fake breakout structure, WBW, both are same. Okay, in that area, next time the data point is touching, no, market will be going up or going down. This is open challenge, because Richard Wyckoff is a kind of subordinate of WD Gann. WD Gann, Richard Wyckoff, Dow, Charles Dow, all these guys are like, they are not traders. They are like a saint. They are like a sage. They are like a, what do you call it? They are not a humans. Richard Wyckoff is not a human. I mean, we can call him a human, but he is not a human. WD Gann and all, it's like a monk. It's like a, he's like a, what do you say? Like a avatar. Okay, these guys, the WD Gann worked on with the, what do you call it? The time cycles. That is still mysterious. He predicted, WD Gann predicted the World War date, Second World War date. In 1920s itself, he predicted the Second World War using his time cycle theory. The same time cycle theory he applied in the stock market. Okay, Richard Wyckoff learned from Charles Dow as well as, what do you call it? The WD Gann. Richard Wyckoff is a kind of a student of Charles Dow and WD Gann, and even Charles Dow is learned from the WD Gann. Okay, so Richard Wyckoff is the guy who developed this Wyckoff schematics, and whatever you learned today is Wyckoff schematics. And I'm only given the name WBW for simplifying the thing. Go to the YouTube, search Richard Wyckoff, Wyckoff schematic. If you have knowledge, or if you really have interest, you will definitely learn. I tried, I failed. I couldn't learn Wyckoff schematics. I have a zero knowledge in Wyckoff schematics. Okay, I couldn't able to understand Wyckoff schematics till today. After 12 years, till today, I could not able to understand. But the thing here, I need to understand here is, Wyckoff schematics, I did not understood, but I am using Wyckoff schematic with a different understanding. So let me tell you, this is before this strategy is before the computers are invented. Till that point, it was there. So there is no need to doubt. Don't ask me how many years I'm using. I'm using like almost like a 2017 onwards. I've been using, but with a different name. Okay, try to use it. You should start to use, observe, and this is working really great. And of course, there will be flaws will be there, but the flaws we are going to arrest using other strategies. Okay, so strategies, this is not my strategy. I have not invented anything. I have just understood the Wyckoff in a different perspective, but I couldn't able to understand Wyckoff traditional way. So whatever I'm telling you may not able to understand. But once you practice this, once you experience, you will get different understanding, right? That will be contradicting with my understanding. But both are using same thing in a different way. So WBW is the name I have given, and WBW strategy is nothing but rip-off of Wyckoff schematics, but in a different understanding, not with the Wyckoff understanding, because I couldn't able to understand the Wyckoff till today. Whatever his marking and schematics, it's still confusing, and still not, I'm not best at Wyckoff schematics. But whatever I understood with the market, that is different, and that is what I am telling you. So I have been using this like since 2016-17, because as I told you guys in my first day session itself, I have learned from the Michael student, Patrick Williamson. Patrick Williamson is my mentor, and he taught me this entire boot camp within one day. He taught this. So I have learned from Patrick. Patrick is a student of Michael, and Michael is learned from Richard Wyckoff and Dow theory. And he's not agreeing that. If you go to the YouTube, Michael's YouTube, he will keep on saying that he is the God. He always said he's God. Okay, but he just took the strategy from the Wyckoff, and from the Wyckoff, he generalized the strategy for a easy way, understandable way. But my mentor Patrick, he also followed the Michael's way. But I'm against to the Michael's way. Michael's way is very, very difficult to understand. So I, over the period of time, I, based on my experience, I developed this. Okay, so in my experience, it works really well. And if you still have a doubt, don't doubt the strategy, practice it and challenge me. Okay, practice it. Sir, you said it is working, it is not working, challenge me. Okay, when you, there is a flaws will be there, failures will be there, all those stuffs will be there. But failures, how we are going to arrest, that will be learning in coming days, because failures do happen. Even Wyckoff developed this strategy, he also made losses. Okay, even though he's a, I consider him as a god. Okay, Wyckoff is a trading god. WD Gann is a god. These guys are gods. These guys are not a humans, especially WD Gann. It's not a human. He's a god. I mean, God in the sense, godly power, godly knowledge, like Einstein. Like we are talking about the Einstein, Albert Einstein, and Edison and Tesla, right? Nikola Tesla, something like that. These guys are trading gods. We general people don't know about them, but traders, they know. I know that he's God. Literally, whatever the strategy they have given, that is the strategy till today is working. If you take algo market, their strategy is working. Volume profile, market profile, softwares based on their strategies only, their findings only. Whatever indicator you take, moving average, this one, that one, everything is a rip-off of Wyckoff, Dow, and WD Gann's logic. WD Gann is famous for time cycles. Richard Wyckoff is famous for volume, and Dow, it's he mainly focused on the price, volume, time. That is the foundation for any strategy. Okay. Yes. Which indicator we are going to learn? We are not going to learn any indicator. We are going to learn maybe like a few indicators. Not indicators. We are going to combine the indicator. We are going to not learn the indicator. All our entry based on the smart money concepts, WBW or other strategies. But the thing here is, we are going to combine. For example, Bollinger Band you can combine, moving average you can combine, any indicator you can combine with smart money strategies. We are not going to take trade based on indicators. Our trades are based on smart money strategy only. Indicators combinations going to give us some what do you call the some boost up a little bit confidence. That's the reason we are going to use indicator. Again, I'm not expert on the indicators, honestly speaking to you guys. I don't know how to use even Bollinger Band. I mean, I have some idea, but not much idea. So I'm not expert in indicators, but we are going to combine in the combination how we can trade. See, the thing here is, everyone have a talent, everyone have skill. I cannot underestimate you guys. You guys, every one of you guys has own experience, own wisdom, knowledge, skill, and experience. Some of you guys maybe try with a different combinations. When you try with a different combination, you will get spark. You will get some spark, and you can catch that spark. You can go trade with that method. No, that will give you the success. For some of you guys, you may not able to follow my thing, but you may understand what I'm trying to say, and after understanding, you can create your own improvisation. That is called improvisation. So you can easily do that. Once you understood the basic stuff, you don't need to follow me whatever I'm telling you, but if you follow to the certain extent, after that certain extent, you will get a spark. You will definitely get a spark if you really into this business. Once you get the spark, no, you will be following that method. So that's the reason I even though indicators are bad, I still recommend you to use by combining indicators with this. For me, I hate RSI indicator. I don't like MACD indicator. Okay, I don't like it. But for you, it may give you the spark. Right? It may give you the spark. It may give you that combination is working well. So for you, it will be like the powerful strategy. Okay, so that's why we will be discussing indicators. Since I'm not expert on that, You can explore different indicators, different indicator combination with the WBW strategy. Take a look at this. If you take a GBP USD, let's say GBP USD, okay? Let me take a Bollinger Band. I don't know how to use this, but my understanding I'll tell you. But if you are expert, you can always do your own due diligence, okay? So I'm in a, let's take a 15-minute chart, or let's take a 5-minute chart, okay? 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart is very too complicated. Maybe like a 30-minute chart. There's a 3 lines: bottom line, middle line, and top line. Top line, you can see whenever market touch the top line, it will be selling. Touch the bottom, it will be buying. Middle line is like a profit booking, something like that, or support and resistance line, something like that. Okay, your job is very simple. You wait for the bottom line to touch, like this. So bottom line is touched, and look for the WBW or swing point. So let's see here. Do we have a WBW? Yeah. The bottom line is tested. We have a WBW also. Bottom line is tested, WBW. Then market started to go up. Now what do you need to do? Mark WBW candle, full candle. Okay, it is touching here. It is also kind of touching the bottom line. Or you can see here, it is broke the bottom line. Okay, whenever it's go below the bottom line, it will go up. Whenever it's go above the top line, it will go down. You can see here by this indicator itself, it's gone below. Then what happened? Gone above. It's gone below the line, bottom line, gone above. Here it is not, right? Here it is gone below, gone above. Here it is. Let's delete this box. So just see the Bollinger Band itself. It's gone above the upper band. Then what happened? Immediately market went down. Gone below the lower band. Immediately market went up. Gone above the upper band, went down. Gone below the lower band, going up. Below, going up. Above, going down. Can you see that? Right? So what you can do? That is one confirmation. So let's see. I have a swing point here, or WBW here. I'm marking the WBW here like this. Okay. So what happens here? Market gone above. It's almost touched this level. Touch this level and gone above. So where was the other example? Other example was here. Other example was here. Yes, this is the one I was looking. So here I have a WBW like this. Not WBW, it's a swing point. Here. Yes, this is the one. This is the one we are marking. WBW, right? So here it is touched, but you are not going to take a trade. Why you are not going to take a trade? Because it is not broken the bottom line. So you need to wait for the bottom line to break. Now, as per Bollinger Band, whenever it's go below the Bollinger Band, it will go above. Okay. So that is what repeating factor, right? Whenever market goes below the Bollinger Band, candle go below the Bollinger Band, market will reverse. Whenever it's go above, it will again reverse. So here it is gone below the Bollinger Band. That is telling me that, okay, market going to reverse. As per Bollinger Band strategy. At the same time, it's a WBW level, right? And almost WBW 50% level. So WBW level also here. It's a buying level WBW. And that is also touching. The same time, it is Bollinger Band also broken. So I'm going to buy here. Let's buy. So now you can see I'm combining WBW with Bollinger Band. Okay. So something like that, of course, you need to work upon that. I'm not sure about the Bollinger Band. Which time frame is good, which settings is good. I don't know, because I don't use this. So you need to work upon that. If you work upon that, you just need just need WBW with Bollinger Band. That strategy you can stick with that. Okay, something different combinations you can try, because WBW, it's going to work. It's like a main dish, or it's like what do you call, uh, it is like electricity. You can use electricity for running television, you can use electricity for running washing machine, you can use electricity for running fridge, or uh, uh, running the AC, right? So WBW is something like that. That's why I'm telling Richard Wyckoff is God. Right? So because they found this wonderful strategy even before a candlesticks was invented. That's the reason. So you can combine this with any strategy. It works. But of course, you need to know about the Bollinger Band, you need to know about the other strategies. So that is also important. So no indicator, only WBW. Yes, WBW is more than enough, but combinations I'm telling. See how I can grow as a trader. How I can grow by doing different things. Right? I cannot see there is a word called settled. People used to say that, hey, this guy is making this much money and he's settled. His life is settled. There is no such term called life is settled. You cannot settle somewhere. You need to keep on run. You need to keep on improvise. Okay, settle means stale. Stale means rigid. I'm not moving anywhere. I'm not going up, going down. It was like middle. So there is no word called settled. So in trading, you need to progress until you die. So you need to progress. You need to improvise. So there is a lot of combinations are there. You can do different combination. You can combine with. I'm just giving the example. You don't need to use indicators, but giving an example, just an example. Experiment, yes, experiment trading. So uh, recently I'm experimenting. Why should I do that? I told you guys WBW is very powerful. Why I'm not sticking with that? I have sticked with that strategy for a long time. Now I'm facing some different kind of problems in trading. Frequently failures are happening. Why it is happening? So we need to do some changes. We need to improvise. So recently we have improvised something that is working. Now I'm telling you to also improvise, and because some of you guys have some years of experience, you bring with some years of experience, right? So you have some certain ideas. Okay, you have already know certain strategies. So in that you combine this, you create new thing, and you improvise that also. That is important. WBW is more than enough, bro. When you yes, Mr. Girdhar is already, he know that he's been with us almost 1 year. Last 1 year, last year batch student. So you can check with Mr. Girdhar, and you can check with many people also in our community. Once you joined in the Telegram community, no, you check with the people. You can ask direct question. No, nobody going to hurt you. Okay, will WBW working or not? You will get an idea from the different people. Not everyone going to say that it's perfect 100%. Some people will be having bad experience also. So you can get an idea. You can get an brainstorming session with the people. So by the way, you will build up. It's all about building the confidence, guys. I'm telling you something. I'm telling you my personal experience. I'm telling you. My job here is to make you believe this is working. If I did that correctly, no, you will make profitable. You will become a profitable. It is not about the strategy. Let me tell you very honestly. I'm telling you that this is a red color bottle, right? My job here is I am I'm looking for convincing. I'm convincing you to believe this is the blue color bottle. Okay, I'm telling you this is a red color bottle. You know that it's a red color bottle, but I'm telling you this is blue color bottle. This is blue color bottle. Once you believe this, no, you will become profitable trader. But your mind will not accept this because it's red color. Why are you lying? Right? You will ask this question. But for those who are, I'll tell you, you need to fake it until you make it. If you fake it, no, you will definitely make it. Even though you don't like WBW strategy, let's say that, okay, it's working, it will work. This is biggest secret. This is the biggest secret. Okay, but but I'm not lying here. WBW is really working because the god is created the strategy. WBW is created by Richard Wyckoff, not me. Okay, but the thing here is, uh thing here is, no, it works, but you know I'm telling you that it working, right? I'm also giving some glimpse. You are not able to get convinced. Why? Because you did not experienced it. So that's why I'm telling you, practice, see this, see that, see the multiple charts, do 10 currencies, back test, something like that. You do. When you do that, now you will definitely get that spark. Once you get that spark, you will run like a wild. Mark my words. Okay, because earlier, earlier when I'm also like that, like you guys only, right? So nobody came out of the sky. So everything is like faced a lot of problems, a lot of different strategies, tried. So finally, when we learned the smart money strategy from Patrick, so we got some spark, and we worked with that spark, and it worked really well. Now that become a WBW right now. Okay, so try it, guys, try it. Mark my words, you will definitely will not regret for using the WBW. I'm telling you this. Yeah. Why are you not using indicators? I'm using indicator. My eyes are indicators, guys. Eyes are indicators. See, indicators, nothing but indicators following the price. Candle movement is followed by the indicator. Indicator is giving the signal. Okay. I'm telling you to follow smart money. Why? Because smart money is moving the price. So understand this. There's a price. Imagine, guys. See, again, I'm going very practically. How many of you guys have iPhones? I don't have iPhone. How many of you have iPhone or any mobile phone which is more than 50,000 rupees? Any mobile phone more than 50,000 or 25,000 rupees? Oh, one person has. Okay. How many iPhones are you having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 100, 200? Only one, or maybe two, right? Why you don't have? Why you don't have 1,000 iPhones? Because we cannot buy 1,000. We don't need 1,000, right? We don't need 1,000. If you have 10%, 5% in your family, 5% means 5 different phones. Okay, they have different preferences also. Okay, but who can afford 1,000 iPhone? Who can buy 1,000 iPhones? Mukesh Ambani, or iPhone dealers, right? iPhone sellers, businessmen. Why? Why they can afford? Why we cannot? Because it's money. It's price costlier, right? It's costlier. So, but they can, irrespective of whether it is costlier or cheap, that doesn't really matter for them, right? If they want to buy iPhone, they can even buy iPhone company itself, right? They can even do that. That much money they are having, so they don't care about the price. Those guys only involved in the market. Those guys only trading in the market. They don't. I'm not telling that they are not caring about the price, but they don't care about the price. They buy crazily, they sell crazily, they move the price based on their actions. Prices are moving. Elon Musk, how many of you know the Dogecoin? We can call it Dogecoin. Dogecoin. Elon Musk dog, right? So Elon Musk, back then, before he purchased the Twitter X, right? uh, I don't know, maybe you can go through the internet, you will get that news. he tweeted he's just sent one tweet saying that Tesla we're going to accept Dogecoin. If you have Dogecoin, give me your Dogecoin, get the Tesla car. We are accepting Dogecoin for Tesla. He just tweeted, and Dogecoin becomes skyrocketed. Let's say 1 rupee Dogecoin become 1,000 rupees. That much up movement happened because Elon Musk is a businessman. He's a number one businessman in the world, and he ready to accept Dogecoin. So market went crazy. Everybody started to buy Dogecoin. It became 1,000 rupees. Then silently Elon Musk sold all his Dogecoin. He already bought Dogecoin for a cheaper price for a 1 rupee. Let's say he 1 rupee he bought Dogecoin and he tweeted, and everybody bought, and he sold all his Dogecoin. He made a huge profit. So one tweet from the Elon Musk, market went crazy. And he made a great profit. This is called manipulation. This is happening every single time. We know Elon Musk famously. We know him, and he's a well respected person in the world, right? So whatever he did, now we are speaking. But how many of you know the big guys, right? We don't know many big guys, many big businessmen. They are all involved in the market. So their buy, their sell is move the market, move the price. Now indicators are designed based on the price movement. So whom should you follow? Do you want to follow the price, or do you want to follow the person who move the price? We should follow the person who move the price, right? That's why we are not using the indicators. Indicators are designed, even algo tradings, expert advisors, robot trading, everything is following the price. Every strategy is based on the price movement. But smart money strategy based on the smart money, not price. Of course, smart money is the guy move the price. So from his perspective, we need to approach the market. When you do that, relatively you can make small losses. I mean, losses will be there, but small losses as compared with indicators. This is the reason we are not following the indicators. But I'm not blaming that indicators are completely nonsense. As a matter of fact, indicators based on the price and price based on the numbers. Numbers means what do you call it? Numbers means mathematics, right? So all indicators are based on the mathematics and statistics. So mathematics and statistics is a kind of a science. So science never fails. So even the big players, they use some indicators, not this indicator tools. They use mathematics, quantitative trading. There is a new branch in the technical, I mean in the market analysis, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, quantitative analysis, sentiment analysis, macroeconomic analysis. Macroeconomic analysis, sentiment analysis, kind of same. So fundamental analysis, quantitative analysis, and technical analysis. Technical analysis, very layman approach. We are laymen's. We can learn very easily. But quantitative analysis, you need to have a mathematics and statistics background. Like so many courses are there. CFA, chartered financial analyst, and chartered market technician, market specialist courses, certifications. Those things are there, right? So that needed. Quantitative analysis is also very good if you are strong in the mathematics and statistics and in those areas. But that is kind of difficult for everyone to go through this. So based on the mathematics and statistics also, they arrive the value. But let me tell you, median price, middle price is nothing but a statistical tool. Standard deviation, correlation regression, so time series analysis, and forecasting tools. They all use past data. They all use the price data. So from the price data only they arrive the financial modelings and all those things they will be doing. So they do that, but the best way is open the candlesticks chart, look for the WBW, because in WBW They bought, they sold. Smart money is buying as well as selling simultaneously in WBW level. So that's why that is very, very significant. And that's why I'm telling that is more than enough for you guys. But sometimes we tend to not observe that and understand that. That is common. But by practicing, no, you will get to know that point. Okay. Sir, can we join in the live sessions today onwards? Next week only we are going to start the live session. Next week you can join. This week, as I told you guys, I was not able to concentrate on the live trading because of the other stuffs that is keep on giving irritate. That is irritating me. Keep on. Uh, it is not irritating, but like it's a it's a challenge actually. So a lot of challenges are there with me with my other business. So that's the reason I couldn't able to concentrate. Next week onwards, next week Tuesday evening, we are definitely having the live session. Tuesday evening 5:30. I'll be sharing you the link in the WhatsApp as well as Telegram. We can join from the next week onwards. Okay, don't worry about that. These 2 weeks are not good. Not good in the sense I'm not able to do it because of my personal commitments. Next week onwards we'll be doing, at least next Tuesday we will be starting. Okay, Tuesday, and I'm planning to conduct Tuesday as well as Wednesday morning or Thursday morning. Most probably Tuesday evening is confirmed. The next session will be like either Thursday or Friday, Thursday, or Wednesday. That within 3 days will be there. That will be the morning session. Okay. Okay. Profitable forex trades. Okay. WBW is more than. Let me see. Why are you not using indicator? I have RSI in Indian market. Phenomenal. Great. That is what I'm asking. If you are using RSI indicator, if you are comfortable with that indicator, combine RSI with the WBW and see, you will get more phenomenal results. Or you see, whenever your RSI indicator fails, why it is failing. If you do the back testing, no, you will get to know that in that place you may not have a WBW. Okay, so that's good. More than 100 years back tested. In WBW, can we look for the breakout structure? Yes, we will be doing that. As a matter of fact, you have a WBW like this, right? Let's say WBW. Especially, let's say you are looking at a higher time frame, 1 hour and above. Okay. Next candle, if it will be like this, right? It's a swing point, right? So you have a wick like this, you have a break like this. Now what is this? This is WBW. This is breakout structure. Now this is the strategy. It is in the past also it is there, but very recently I started to trade in this method. In this method, I will be looking for 3 candles: candle 1, candle 2, candle 3. It's a swing point, right? In swing point, I want to see WBW. It is mandatory. Condition number 1, WBW. Condition number 2, third candle should break the second candle. So this is swing point. This swing point swing point here, you have a WBW plus breakout structure. Okay, in this combination is phenomenally working really well. This combination is working really well. Look for this. Sometimes you will see something like this. First candle, let's say second candle, wick broken by the wick will be there. Okay, third candle, let's say the wick of the second candle is like this. Okay, third candle, but is very small. Okay, third candle is not broke the second candle, but fourth candle is broken the fourth or fifth or sixth candle. So this is not good. If you see this avoid, but if you see this, that is very good combination, very good combination. Okay, but this is also works. I'm not saying that it will not work. It will not work. It will also work, but comparing with this is bad based on my 1 month back testing. So 1 month only I have back tested this. No, not back test. To be frank, I have took the live trades with this method. So it works really well as compared with traditional smart money strategy. I will be teaching you traditional smart money strategy also. That is the one thing I was using long time. Okay, long time I was using that, but this is also this is the same thing. This is the same thing, but this is going to give you more scalping opportunity, scalping intraday opportunity than a long term opportunities. So if you're a scalper, if you're a quick trader, then you can try this method. I will explain this. I have already made a video. That video is already available. You can also go through if you want. There's a 3 swing method I'm currently following. That is somewhat working good for a scalping per se. So you can also try. Okay, but later in this bootcamp, I will explain this in a detailed manner how you can do this. All right. So this combination, always try to use that combination. Okay. But when we cover the thing, no, I will explain. Now, for example, you can see here. This is what I was telling. So I have a wick broken by the wick. Okay, and I do have the middle candle is broken by the third candle. So you can see here, wick broken by the wick. The middle candle is broken by the 1, 2, 3 third candle. Now this combination is good. So this swing point, you can see not a big movement. I mean, of course, it's a big movement, but not a big reaction. Very small up movement reaction, but it went up to this level, almost like this, near to the swing point. Okay, so similarly, you can see here there is no WBW here, and WBW with breakout structure. Right now, it's a 30-minute chart. You can see here. Scalping. Understand one thing, for a scalping per se, you can use buy, close it at this swing point. Almost 1 hour up movement. Not a good movement, but up movement is still, it's 1 hour movement, right? Something like that. Now, for example, now you can see there is a swing point is creating. Here I have a WBW here, but this break is required. This break is required. It is not yet happened. Third candle should break like this, but it is not yet happened. So I'm not going to count this level. It can work, but I'm not going to count this level generally. Right? We do have here. You can ask here, sir, here it is failed. Here we have a WBW. WBW, yeah, very slight WBW you can see here. The wick is here. That is a wick. Slight WBW. So it's not a convincing WBW, to be frank. Okay, but breakout structure is convincing. So maybe that's the reason it is failed. But if you see most of the time, so based on my back testing also. So here I have a WBW. And the second candle is broken by the third candle. Okay, now you need to mark this full candle. So is it worked? Yes. Good. It took some time, but quick scalping happened here. You can see market came here. So you buy here, right? Buy entry. Stop loss should be here. It went little bit down and went up to this swing point. Not a big movement, but okayish, right? So how much it's given realistically? Risk reward ratio you cannot expect from the scalping strategy. So from here to here, just 84-point movement, very very small, bad trade. But if we would have kept from the 50% entry, then that's a great, right? 50% entry will be somewhere here. So market touched. So this is again a good movement from here to here. 178 point. That's good. Again, market gone above. So, but for quick scalping, like how many hours? Oh, it happened in the morning. Morning 8 o'clock. Morning 8 o'clock. Morning movements always slow movement. Morning 8 o'clock to 12:30 till European session. But afterwards, market I think in the New York session it given very good movement. Okay, so you can look this combination also. You can see here WBW in 30 minutes, 30 minutes WBW, and middle candle is broken by the third candle. So now that is your level. Immediately fourth candle touched. So you can take a entry from here from the fourth candle. So you can target this swing point. Swing point middle, somewhere middle in the swing point. So how much? 47 points. Again in the morning. Scalping per se is good. In 50 points, even if you take a 50 points for a scalping, that is good. Imagine if you are trading, if you are capturing 100 points, it's $100. So 50 points mean $50 if you are trading in the standard lot. Scalpers will be always trading with the standard lots. Quick buy and quick sell, close. They'll make money. Okay, but commissions will be good. Commission will be big, but still, more the money, no commission doesn't matter. So you can try this, but it is still in the prototype. Still, we are back testing. I'm combining with the different combinations. So probably I'll give you the prototype now, right now. Maybe after once my confidence level increase, no, I will confidently teach you guys this also. That will happen there. Definitely that will happen by maybe by end of the next month. We will once again connect. Okay. Break by body or by week. Sir, can we? Okay, you have answered. So wick. This is the combination you need to look. Swing point. Okay, wick should break by body. Okay, wick should break by body, and this wick should break by wick. Both we are looking at same area. You can easily see this. Many occasions it will be happening. So in the top we want to see WBW. In the bottom we want to see breakout structure. In higher time frame, look at higher time frame, at least 1 hour and above. This is your perfect selling pattern. Okay, and just like that, first candle, wick. Okay, second candle, wick broken by the wick, wick broken by the wick, and third candle, wick broken by the body. This combination is very very good. Now there is one more combination. I'm still working on that. I will reveal that maybe after some time. Okay, one more combination also I'm working on it. One more way for a scalping strategy, especially for a 1 minute time frame. 1 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute time frame. In this 3 time frames, I'm currently working on, guys. Okay, you will be expecting maybe next week. There is an update from my end. I'll be sharing you guys that strategy also. Purely 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, up to 15 minute strategy. Okay, but in that strategy we are going to combine indicator. One indicator. Even though I don't like that indicator, but we are going to combine for a different perspective, to get the different perspective. Okay, that is also I'm working on, and I will share you that also. later, possibly by the next week, you will be getting the video on that. Okay, this combination is best, guys. You can try this combination. This is your buying zone. This is your, again, the same thing you are going to mark. The middle candle only you are going to mark. Selling zone. Okay, middle candle is your buying candle, middle candle is your selling candle. This is also you can try. So this is swing point. This is swing points, nothing but a swing points with inbuilt breakup structure, inbuilt WBW. Okay, so this is also you can try. I'll tell you how you can trade this practically in the next session, next session maybe. Okay, my only suggestion to every one of you, please backtest this. Backtest in the sense, please forward test, not even a backtest, forward test. Forward test is nothing but take a chart, any chart you take, Euro JPY, okay, any chart you take, forward test. How do we forward test? Look for the WBW. We have a WBW here, and we do have a break here. Okay, mark this candle. It's a big candle. You can see it's already touched, market rejected, but it's a very big candle, right? So how much is the stop loss? 500 point stop loss, very crazy. So take a half, click buy button, limit order. Here we are going to buy 169,551. 169,551 we are going to buy. Stop loss will be big. That's okay because it's a demo account, right? 169,287. 169.287. Okay, target can be the top. This is the swing point, right? So I'm going to target the middle of the swing point, 50% of the swing point. Okay, this big swing point. It's not a swing point, but let's consider that it is a swing point, because target doesn't really matter, because we are going to experiment, right? How much point it is moving, that is the idea here. 170.045. Okay, buy. Okay, right? Just like that, take some 10 currencies, 10 stocks, 10 crypto, 10 indices, or 10 commodities. Maybe like a options chart also you can try, or like you can only focus currency market. If you want to trade only currency market, you can focus that. Just like that, do it, forget. Just do it, forget. Your job is marking the proper levels, putting the entry, forget. For next 1 month, you need to do this, forget, do this, forget. 1 month. Next 1 month, you need to do. Okay, after 1 month, you do the same, but don't forget. Okay, first 1 month, your job is applying the strategy. You are going to test yourself that, am I really capable of analyzing the market? That is we are going to test first 1 month. If you're a complete beginner, you need to do this. Mark, forget. For the next 1 month, you need to do this. Start by today itself. Start by tomorrow itself. Start it by tomorrow itself. From tomorrow is 24 May to 24 June. Till that point of time, every day you are going to take a 1 hour chart, 15-minute chart, daily chart, weekly chart, or like a 5-minute chart. Do this. Any time frame you choose, stick with the time frame. Don't change the time frame. For the next 1 month, you should not change the time frame. Any time frame you take, do it, and don't expect the result. Don't expect the profit. Don't expect the loss. If it is a profit, no problem. If it is a loss, no problem. Because first 1 month, it's a learning period. You need to if you want to become a successful doctor, you need to kill some 1,000 patients. So only then you can become a successful doctor. Okay, something like that. So you first 1 month, don't think about the profit, because it's a demo account. In the demo account, if you make profit, you cannot withdraw, right? In a real account also you cannot, right? So the thing here, I mean, in the loss also you cannot, right? In a demo account you cannot. If you make profit, you cannot withdraw profit. If you make loss, that's not going to hurt your bank balance, right? Then why should we worry about profit and loss in the demo account? We should we should try to apply the strategy. That's it. 1 month you do it. Next month onwards, you look for the profit, whether you are making profit or not making profit. So how many time it's working, how many time it's failing, uh, which time frame is working good, because you are going to try with the different time frames. Which time frame it's working, which time frame it is not working. So those kind of analysis and all those stuff you need to do. I'm going to give you the complete plan. I'm working on the plan also, complete plan at the end of this boot camp. I'm just modifying the plan according to the time changing, people are changing, so planning a plan also changing. So I'm working on that. I'll share you the complete plan for the next 3 months. Please follow the 3-month plan, and after 3 months you open funded account, or you open broker account, or like you trade with real account or whatever. First 3 months you have to dedicatedly trade with a demo account. Practice, 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 practice. Okay, so that's going to help you. Okay guys, any question I have missed? For risk of $10, how much profit should I for? See, it is not about the $10 risk. Maximum $10 risk. Your agenda should be simple. I'm going to buy from swing low, and my exit should be nearest swing high. That's it. If you are buying from this level, now why I marked this level as a target? Why my target is here? I'm going to buy here. Why I am targeting here? Because this is the next swing level. Okay, next swing level 50% I have targeted, or I can target the bottom also. So wherever you buy, wherever you sell, suppose you are going to buy from this swing point. If you are buying here, your immediate target should be nearest swing point. That doesn't really, you should not like go with a risk reward ratio. If you go with a risk reward ratio, no, sometimes you may not able to achieve it. But go with swing to swing. If you are selling from swing, your target should be nearest swing. Okay, if you are selling from here, target should be this. If you are buying from here, target should be this. Maximum target, not a minimum target, maximum target. However, as I told you guys, I'm working on the 5-minute strategy, scalping strategy. In that, we are going to focus 1:2. 1:2 risk reward ratio. That kind of strategy I'm currently working on. I will share you the guys very soon. Okay, great. Okay, tomorrow you will be getting the, what do you call it, the link for Telegram. I think Mr. Girdhar is going out, so he cannot able to share the link. If possible, I will share you the link. I don't know where is the link is there. I will share you the link in the WhatsApp group. So one requirement from you guys is simple. So this is our WhatsApp community, right? I will share the link here. Once the link shared, you need to click the link, and once you click the link, one of our admin, Telegram admin, not WhatsApp admin, from the Telegram, one of our admin will contact you in the Telegram. In the Telegram, they will send you the message. Okay, and you need to respond them with a screenshot of WhatsApp group. This WhatsApp group screenshot, right? The screenshot, you take the screenshot, you respond to them with the screenshot. Once you respond to them, they will add you in the Telegram community. Now, why we are doing this? No, in Telegram, we have 5 admins are there. They are all our students. They are all past batch students. They are still sticking with us. Okay, they don't know about you guys, because you guys are new persons. They don't know whether you are my student or not, because Telegram link anybody can click, anybody can join, right? So to restrict that, we want vouch the people. So if you click the link, you will get the message from the admin. In the you have to respond to the admin in the Telegram. You need to share WhatsApp screenshot in a Telegram. Once you share the Telegram, they will add you in the community, and you can be there as long as you wish. Okay, so you need to share the screenshot, but if possible, I will share you the Telegram link, but I don't know where it is. I will be checking with the previous group, maybe the May batch. If there, I will share it right now. I think this is the May batch. This is a very past one, I think. Anyways, I will check it. I will let you know, guys, later. Oh, you're back. Okay, Mr. Girdhar. Maybe Girdhar sir, you can share the Telegram link. So Girdhar sir will be explaining the rules also. You can be part of. Our Telegram community is vibrant community. We want everyone to participate. We want to share charts and results and questions and everything. Our admins are doing great job, phenomenal job. They will be sharing you every day. They'll be sharing you some insights that will be will helpful for you guys. We want people to actively involve in discuss and everything. If you are not able to do that, no problem. At least you observe what people are discussing and ask your questions and everything. You will get more insights about the funded account, more insights about the live trading and psychology and everything. Okay, so please be part of it, and that's how we can continue this mentorship for lifelong. All right. Okay, it's getting late. I do understand it's getting late, so we will wind up the session today. Next session, I'm gonna explain the the logic behind the WBW, logic behind the wicks, logic behind the range market, and everything. And apart from that, we are going to learn some advanced strategies in the next session. Okay. So thank you guys for participating. Thank you for your patience till this point of time. It's almost 10:30. We started at 7 o'clock. So, sir, I already bought 25K account from and lows. Okay, that happens. That happens. So don't open the account. Okay, let us complete this bootcamp, and I'll give you the plan. Maybe I'll do something. Maybe we can have some healthy discussion on cracking the funded account challenge. So we have some experts in our community also. We'll conduct one session. We will have a brainstorming session with the different people, but people should come up, speak. I'm not sure how many of them is comfortable or speaking, because we have people who cracked the funded account challenge, who trade with the funded account money. Their experience is much needed for you guys to get the idea, right? So we will do that. So we'll try to help you in that also. Okay, 3%. Okay, 3% you lost. Okay, but hold on a minute. Okay, have some patience. We will let us complete this, and then we will resume. Okay. All right, so thank you so much for everyone for participating. Hopefully you got some insights today, but I have not given my 100% today, to be frank. I think I missed so many things, but next session I will try to cover up all those things. Okay. Thank you everyone. We'll meet you guys in the next session. Until then, bye everyone. Have a great day. Good night, and yeah, we'll meet you guys on Saturday, right? Saturday evening we have session, right? I think so. Saturday or Friday? Thursday, Saturday evening. Okay, Saturday evening we will connect once again. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Good night, guys. Good night. Recording will be provided by TFE team. They will be providing by tomorrow. Okay. I don't have the recording access. Also, I don't have access in the WhatsApp community. Also, I cannot add anything in the WhatsApp. I mean, in the description, in all those stuff. So bear with me. Whatever I'm sharing the screenshot now, maybe you can, someone maybe compile in the word format, you can keep it for your recording. I cannot do anything alteration, anything in the things in the WhatsApp community. So you can save it somewhere. Okay. All right, thank you. Bye, good night. We'll meet you guys in the Saturday evening. Bye bye everyone. Bye, have a great day. Good night. I don't have that's what I'm saying. I don't have a compilation of these things, because you guys, let me tell you very honestly, every boot camps, no, I give different screenshots. My approach will be different. So I don't read any material, and I don't like express. Okay, it is all coming from my brain, spontaneously coming from the my brain. So I don't have any standard notes. Of course, I think it is there in the WhatsApp description. If you go to the WhatsApp description, in the Notion document, there is a option called Notion document. Okay, here, I think somewhere here, I'm not sure I can able. Yeah, here, Notion document. If you click that Notion document, there are some standard PDFs available here. You can see here, these are some standard PDFs. I don't know where it is. I think this is the one. Yeah, some standard PDFs. You can download this PDF. This is made by me only, but this is I made, I think, 4 years before. It's very old. It is not updated one. So the WBW you cannot see here. Okay, so that's the reason. Uh, I think this may not useful for you guys, but if you want to get some idea, maybe you can go through it. But I don't suggest this. I don't have any standard notes, to be frank. But I'm currently working on a project. It is a long pending project. Two projects I'm working on. Two different genre books I'm writing. One is for forex trading, and one is for psychology. So hopefully I'll be releasing soon, maybe by at the end of, at least by end of this year. Maybe that will helpful for you guys. Okay, I'm not sure when it will complete. It is long pending. It's going on. Okay, so every sessions will be, I'll be giving the different screenshots. So yeah, Jitesh, you are going to hate me for saying this. Today you learned something. No, that is everything. Within this, everything is there. Liquidity sweep, liquidity swap, liquid manipulation, trap, stop loss hunt. Everything came inside WBW. Okay, you don't need to know liquidity, that concept, this concept. No, of course we'll be discussing liquidity concepts, but everything came inside the swing point WBW. Okay, but I'll explain. In next session, I'll give you what is WBW, what is breakout structure, why this is happening, what is liquidity, what is imbalance. Everything we'll be discussing. All right. Okay. Great. Thank you, everyone. Once again, I will meet you guys in the Saturday. And bye. Good night. All right. I'm just ending the meeting to everyone. Bye. All right. Stop sharing. Good night, guys. Good night. Bye.